It wasn't intentional at all, and you know it. You know, it was intentional. Just that I liked you. I was tripped. I didn't mean to hurt you or anything. Please, please, I'm sorry.
Dominic, I would destroy everything that makes you whole and happy. It's a promise.
Hey! Hey! Holy, holy, Lemasat, holy, holy, holy.
Who are you talking to?
Nobody. I'm talking to nobody.
Are you sure you're okay?
Of course I'm sure. I'm just singing, talking to myself. You heard me shouting holy, right? Like holy, 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 Lord God Almighty. I was just trying to go in the mood of prayers. Lord in three persons,
Okay.
blessed Trinity. What?
Your breakfast is ready.
Okay. Just give me a few minutes. I'm coming. Okay?
Alright.
Yeah.
Let's be fast, forget.
Yes.
Alright.
Okay, babe.
Yeah.
Holy, holy, holy.
For your man, dear,
God.
you think you're wise. Imarani Bwabo, Nina said.
Foma. Adamna. Ifi. Adamnya. Ifoma. Gabannya. Ifoma. Adanna. Ifi. Adannya. Ifo. Adanna. Where have you been? I've been looking for you. I've searched for you everywhere. In fact, actually, they're going to give for my best friend. One day, you know, Adanna, hi, Adanna, why are you crying? Who beats you? Adanna, talk to me. Adanna, talk to me. If I'ma talk to me now, who beat you? Hi, Adanna, who beat you? Talk to me. Adanna, who beat you? Talk to me now. Honestly, I can't do I go. I cannot take a picture. Hi, Adanna, this is me. Adanna, talk to me. It's me. Can talk to me, Adanna. Hi. Oh God. Is this real? Was I
Let me see how we get away this time. I've got you today.
Tell me what's the meaning of this now? What's the meaning of this nonsense? Leave my hand! Why are you holding me like that?
Yeah.
Hey!
So you think you can finish my friend's money and get away with it, Abi? If you did not return this money, I will just remove all your teeth.
Clement, why are you holding her like that? Don't you know she's a woman? Why would you be holding a woman like that? Leave her alone, Joe!
First of all, tell your friend to return my money. She collected money from me from several occasions, promised me that she will come to my place. All of a sudden, she blocked me.
Even though. Is that why you hold her like that? Leave her alone, Joe!
No.
Come on, beat me now! Beat me!
See, so you think you can beat us, Abi? You think you can beat us? If you try it, I'll tell you that I have crisis in me already.
You have crisis?
Yes, now.
See, hello, if you are mad, think you are mad. Me, I'm crazy. If you think you don't have sense, me, I don't have anything in my head at all. You say this, you are your friend, I can beat the both of you.
You can beat us.
I can join the both of you together and I will beat you. Even if I cannot beat you, I will go and report you to my brother. You know my
brother?
Yes! You know my brother, Abi? You know my brother. I will report you to my brother. Now leave her alone. Leave me! Leave me!
I should leave you. Okay. It's both of you planned, right? Okay.
You know what, you? Let's go.
It's for you. It's me and you in this village.
Typo.
You.
You said you call your brother, Abi?
Like,
don't worry.
Like, it's what lets through.
Me.
Oh, no, sure.
In this village.
Me what? Me. Oh, me.
Let's go. Leave them.
Me what?
Let's go.
Completely.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Don't worry. I know what to do. You can do nothing. Nothing.
You can do nothing. I will give you. You can do nothing.
They would have beaten hell out of your body now. Wait, I don't understand you. If every man you see you collect money from, what is your problem? Are you going to pay my bills? Why are you judging me? Please, I don't have time for this. Biko, if you want to go, let's go, abeg. Who told you I can't even fight them? Let's go, abeg. They would have beaten you, your head. Fight them. I can fight them. I can fight them. I have all the power. You think I don't have the power? Leave me alone.
Hi.
Good
How are you?
afternoon, sir.
Hello. It's like your friend is not in her good state of mind.
Not really. She's not just used to talking to strangers.
Oh,
Most especially men.
okay. I would like us to discuss something very important.
Okay.
If you don't mind, can you come to my place?
You know it cannot be now because of course I'm with my friend and I won't like to keep her waiting.
Of course, I don't mean it now. Maybe later. I can take your number and call you later.
Okay, that's no problem.
Okay. Do you have a phone there?
Yes.
Okay. Nice one.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll talk to you later, okay?
Bye.
Say hi to her for me.
But, Stella, how come you just stopped? You're talking to a stranger you don't know, just like that.
Be calming down. At least he look rich and responsible and he's cute.
You even gave him your number. He's cute.
Please, Let's go, I beg.
Anyways, that's not my business. So. My own concern is that I do not like the way he was staring at me. I don't like it.
Maybe he likes you. Let's go.
Let's go before my brother starts looking for me.
Hey. Too much money. Hey. It seems my brother is dominating the whole music industry because this money is plenty.
If you want them, you see this money, this is the little money I was able to gather from my performance last night at the club. If you see the way they were spraying me money, you need to see, you need the influence I will make go. Immediately I enter the club and I jump inside the stage, grabbing the microphone with my sweet voice, with the Amelago voice. If you see, man, now we get papaya. Now we did the last night. I said that's why I have all this money.
Hi, child. Hey, something now. At least all this small money you've been gathering from your performance, we'll be using it to take care of ourselves all these years without begging anybody for anything, brother. I'm proud of you.
In fact, God bless you, my angel. God bless you, Adane. In fact, I can't even deny the fact that you have been the source of my inspiration all this long. In fact, at least I can go everywhere in the world. I can boast everywhere in the world that Ifeoma one name is the one of the most outstanding students in their class. Year to year, she is the best student. See, Ify, I can't even wait on that fateful day that you will graduate as my lawyer. The day that you will graduate as my lawyer, I have so many scores, so many issues to settle in the street. Even the Winanga, even the Matonga, and you graduate as a lawyer, if you want them, Maga, women, and the Nina Tomoku, Jenga. No, for real, baby. Hiya, Jenga.
You're very funny. But then, even at that time, maybe you two would have been dominating billboard, television, radio station, getting endorsements, ambassadorship, all those things.
You know your brother, Ike Papa. I must win Grammy Award.
Yes, sir.
Bully Grammy Award.
Must
win Grammy.
Must.
Ike Papa, I must win Grammy, baby. Me win Grammy Award, baby. And if I win it, Ifeoma, I will spoil you with so many. In fact, I will take it to United States of America, baby. Me doing in America. Me doing in America, and I will win this Grammy. In fact, do you know what you will do now? This is 10,000. This is 10,000. Use this 10,000, buy yourself anything you want, anything you need. Buy yourself some goodies, whatever you want, that to take care of yourself. Use this 10,000 naira and take care of yourself, baby. Thank you. I will still do more. If you see, as long as I keep going to show and this music keep bringing money and bringing money to my table, I will spoil you with money and take it to United States of America, baby.
Thank you.
You're welcome if you want them. If you can see how we go last night. If you can see how one day go last night, my voice in the camera. Well, I'll on the stage. Use that one, just manage it. More is coming.
Thank you.
Make sure you buy yourself whatever you need. Yeah? Go and keep it in your room. Just keep it. Tomorrow you go for shopping. You can you see that my guitar inside the parlor? But tell him my guitar, I have a new song to compose. But tell him guitar. But tell him my guitar, let me compose a new song. A new inspiration that just entered my brain when I was coming back from club. And I voiced it with my phone immediately. Let me compose that song. If I'm a Butelun guitar man, Bring my guitar, let me compose a new song, baby. Na boys yenwe go kwe ego n'obodo. Ndị ba you na amakpa na boys akpata sego kwe ego. Una amakpa na boys yenwe sigo kwe ego n'ụwa. Una amakpa na boys akpata sego kwe ego. Ụmụ ikolobịa enwe sigo kwe ego n'ụwa. Una amakpa na ike papa ya ebutegwo kwe ego. Ike nna ebutegwo kwe ego n'ụwa. Una amakpa na boys enwe sigo kwe ego. If ka mmesi ya na abodi ego. Na boys akpata sigo kwe ego.
Okay, my dear, I don't know. I like your friend. I would want you to help me talk to her.
Mr. Dominic, what you're seeking for is not really possible because my friend is not that kind of person. She has turned down a lot of students and teachers that have been asking her in our school.
I am not those people you just mentioned now. I am a very different person. You know, I'm cool, I'm rich, I'm comfortable. I can do whatever she wants me to do for her. Okay? Just help me get talking with her.
Whatever she wants, she asks her brother. And her brother provides it for her. And her brother is this kind of person that is very, very strict. I don't want problems at all. I don't.
What's that your name again? Sorry.
Stella.
Stella. Stella, have you ever used iPhone 14?
No. Why did you ask? Like, how can I don't have that kind of money. Where would you expect me to get that kind of phone from?
Okay, Stella, I am going to give you iPhone 14. And with 50,000 naira.
You want to give me an iPhone?
Yeah. So you can bring your friend to my house. iPhone 14.
Okay.
I hope you like it.
I'll think about it.
You don't need to think about it. It's just an offer, a good offer. Okay?
I have to make preparation for it.
Okay, don't worry. I am going to send you my address so you can bring her to my house.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Alright.
Let me tell you something. I am sick and tired of this nonsense you're doing in my house. This your stupid attitude will not work. No, you have to stop it. It's totally not acceptable. Let me tell you, you will not turn my house into a shrine.
See, Mama, all the times you bring these your hungry pastors to this house, I don't complain. Do I talk? Allow me to do my thing, no?
Akwifo, offer my dead body. Will you continue with this nonsense you're doing? I am sick and tired of you marking my whole house with white. Look at your mates are out there. Looking for what to do, food to eat. You know, never need a reference. On ya. No, I won't take it. You have to pack this thing out of my house and go and find
Mama,
your own place.
It's my life. Happen can be. Billy can be. It's my life. Leave me alone. What is it?
Look at this young man. Instead of doing something tangible with your life, you're busy making friends with different kinds of native doctors. Short ones, fat ones, slim ones. Looking for Okokotolo to kidnap and do your libation. Feeling me boy.
Okay, I'll do it. This is my father's compound. I have every right to do whatever I want to do here. So happen can make name. And I don't disturb me. I talk one more. Don't like this. What is it? My wife also know.
Who has done this? Who has done this thing to me? Obo keke. Gobo kafo. Gobo konko. Onyo obu no obu, my God will fire you. Onyo obu no obu na eme nwa na ezuzu ifo na ezuzu. My God will fire you. Nani fo na peto. Nani fo na peto. Isigia school omu ro be ba na mo 1 2 3. So bo atro. Kan ba le ebele.
Ifoma, guess who I saw today?
Who did you see? And why are you smiling?
Mr. Dominic, that cute, handsome, rich young man we met on our way coming back from school yesterday. He says he likes you.
What? Something wrong with you? Stella, are you out of your mind? How could you wait? Don't tell me you went to see that total stranger alone.
Please.
What if something happened to you?
Calm down. Why are you shouting?
Don't ask me to bring my voice down. How can you be so careless and insensitive? What is wrong with you?
See, Mr. Dominic is a responsible young man. He's rich, he's cute, and he's ready to take good care of you. You don't want that.
What's that his name again?
Mr. Dominic, of course.
Dominic, I mean. Go back to him and tell him that I said to hell with him and his money. Anything I want, my brother provides. You see that Mr. Dominic, what his name is? What do you call his name again? See that man? He looks like one very dubious man. You know those dubious city men that are looking for young girls to deceive. Or you go back and tell him that you did not see me. I'm not around.
Ifoma, why are you jumping to conclusions?
Oga, you want to solve for that man or not?
I will.
Let's change this topic. Give me the pay.
And you're sure you're not interested?
I will trick you this way. I will.
I am sick and tired of your brother's attitude these days. He hardly has friends, though. All he does is go around making friends with their native doctors. Do you know that he doesn't even have a girlfriend? We have not heard him talking about having an affair with anybody.
Mama, I have told you to let Chima be. You and I know that this is how Chima have been a long time. You should just ignore him.
It's not possible to ignore him. He's my son. When I look at all these things on our Bawa Mobi, I don't know what to do. My name is Chima, your brother. He is full of potentials, but he just doesn't want to go to school.
Yes, Mama. We can't force Chima to go to school. Remember, Chima is now a full-grown man. He will make his own decision himself. Mama, remember, he is the father of the house. Please.
Father of the house, but he's my son. And he has to listen to me.
Mama, nobody said it sure. Mama, no one said you should give up on your son. Okay. What do you suggest we do now, Mama?
There's something I want to ask of you, Biko. I don't know if you can talk to your husband so that you people will invite him to the city to learn some kind of trade. At least now that we still have some time. Okay, I can't run, Kate. Why you would learn something now? Biko.
Mama, that would be a very hard one. What I will do is I will talk to my husband to see if Chima can come with him when he's coming back from the village.
Biko, thank you. I really appreciate that if it works. Thank you. We can't just fold our arms and allow Chima to just, hey, lazy wim bam bam bam. Whatever possible. We need to do something.
Mama, just take care of yourself and make sure Chima doesn't bother you.
I will, and you too, Mom.
Alright, Mama, take care of yourself.
Bye-bye, take care.
Good night and sleep well. Bye.
Hey, Nemelo Monka, Chichi, Mama, tell me something. No can hang with friends, no girlfriend. Something is wrong. I'm a married to a neighbor. Oh, we could be like Oji actually mbolo. See, none them mad to call him, man, no, we call him Melon Bolo. Wow, I discover I'm the secret.
Good afternoon.
You see why I don't like coming here? My brother does not like me. Look at the way he was staring at me.
My brother does not hate you. He's probably not in a good mood. There you go again. You always cover up for him. Please, come and see me. He's not in a good mood.
Boys and Wesley walk beggar. Boys and Wesley walk beggar. Boys are tata go beggar. See, Ifoma, I thought I've warned you. I thought I've warned you several times not to be hanging around with that girl that you called Stella. Yeah? I thought I've warned you that I to stop hanging around with her. Stop attracting now thinking at that girl. No, that girl is not your match. Stop hanging around with her, Ifoma.
Oh, brother, she's my close friend now.
Look at your mouth. She's your close friend now. Are you calling that girl your close friend? Yeah? Are you not seeing the way she's dressing? Are you not seeing her dressing? Dressing gigantically and nonsensically. Are you not seeing Stella's eyes? Not Stella is not your match. I don't ever want to see you and Stella anywhere in this village. In fact, don't stop bringing her to this house. Stop bringing Stella to this house, Ifoma. About us now, Stella, Stella is not your match. Stella, you may be back. No, we don't Stella. Are you not seeing her? Ifoma. Okay, get inside and give me my food. You see a chair and a cupboard. Go and give me my own food, can you hear? And I go piano. Stella is not your match, Ifoma. You heard? What is Stella? Baby Oku. Like how you see him Peter Yonaga. Mana boys here, where's go beggar? Boys are tata go beggar. Our boys here, where's go beggar? Boys are tata go beggar.
What are you doing?
Trying to miss her for Kida for one and the one that is at the marketplace. She stepped on poison. I could hear so I want to miss some her.
I see. Has your sister spoken to you today?
No. What about? Say.
Well, she and I spoke and we decided that you would go to the city to learn some kind of trade. She has already spoken to her husband, and he agreed that when he's going back, he will take you along with him.
So you and Nega had this discussion behind my back without even involving me. I'm not going.
I see. Oh, see behind his back. Go to back when we're back. No, when we're back, we're back now. He just here. You will go there and you will start a trade.
Mama, you will not force me. I'm not a baby. I'll stop sounding like I'm a child. I'm the man of this house. I work with the degree here. It's not done that way. If a
man acts like a man. No, behave like a man. If for this attitude, you can't even get married. Because the woman you get married to, you can't take care of her. You cannot provide for her. A man to man. Like if any you'll be giving her herbs to get pregnant.
Yeah? Just come with your trouble. I don't have your time. I'm not going anywhere.
Ijesigie.
Ademeje.
Na ijesigie.
Wa bia men we bi.
Ijesigie. Eni dro mi men we bi if I waste ego ntinya na motorcycle e move we.
Wa nyame.
Mo tinya gi na efiausa na gbada anompam.
I learned that iPhone 14 is for big boys and big girls. I wish to own it and feel among. How long will I continue to use this phone? It will be bad if I gain admission into the university with a big phone. But how do I convince Ifoma to follow me to Mr. Dominic's place? I must have that phone and the money he promised. Yes, I must.
But if you want them, I will go. I done them. Let's go there, I done them. If you want them. See, Adane, I've got you some goodies. If you see what I have in this bag, in fact, I went to one boutique in downtown and I picked some sexy something for you. You like the gown. You see, I even got you some body spray. You see, the body spray is smelling so good. Do you like it? It smells so good. You will like it. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, that's all for you. Booty or not?
Thank you.
It's all for you, baby. And if I'm listening, I don't know, listen, See, I am really so sorry the way I sounded to you the other day. You see, if I'm all these things that I'm doing, all this sacrifice that I'm doing now is just for your own good, baby. Just for your own good.
See, but I understand your sacrifice and I appreciate it. But sometimes it seems like you just want to take control of my entire life. It's not fair now.
Adam, if you and I know that we have never disagreed on anything except your friend Stella. It's not that I hate Stella. I'm hating you. That girl you see, Stella is not the kind of girl that you should be hanging around with. On a droid for enough Stella. Enough fanya on your queen. She's not good for you. She's not good for you.
See, brother, it's just because you don't really know Stella. If you get to know her, she's really a nice person, no. If you go close to her, understand her, you know that she's a nice person. She's not like that. She's not the way you are looking at her.
I told Mama that I was going to take care of you with all my life. Do you know the sacrifices that I made just to make you happy? Do you know that I quit my education just for you to be happy? I quit from having multiple girlfriends. Even quit from all the pleasures in the street. Just for you to be good. Just for you to be good to this family. Adane.
Brother, I want to promise you here and now that I will never do anything to bring shame to this family. And that nobody, not even Stella, would make me change from being the good girl that you have always known.
Hi. If I want them, I done them. I go yeah. Afwanya ezigbo agwa nya ezigbo agwa kwa ezigbo agwa wo mmanwanye ni nwele ezigbo agwa. If I want them, do you know what? I have this new song that I composed. I am going to drop it this coming season. You see this song? I am going to use it and win a Grammy, this coming Grammy. Again, I will win the next coming Grammy, baby. Just listen up.
Upcoming Grammy winner.
I am the winner of the next Grammy award winning. Baby, you get Bobo. You get papaya. Just listen. Listen to the track. It's like it's sorrowful, and when if I sing it, I can just take you to America immediately with this song.
Hey.
Alright, let me listen. Like a moon in the sky, you are worth more than gold. If I'm a one more, I could go more, and I never jalolo. The Keneko Siamuliamo. Shake Bukugi Ike Bobo no Muneya Nandenya I just Panolo if I'm a one more if I'm a one.
What is it? You sounded so urgent over the phone.
I wanted you to accompany me somewhere. I don't want it to get late.
Where are we going and who are we going to see?
You ask too many questions. Let's go before it gets late. Come now. Don't worry. It's not that I'm going to sell you to some kidnappers. Let's go. Are you not my friend?
Just come in, the door is open. Oh, hi.
Good day, Mr. Dominic.
Good day. Please sit down and make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
Oh, you're here with your friend?
Yes.
That's right.
My dear, calm down, okay? We don't eat people here.
Yeah.
Okay? You guys, you tried so much to have brought your friend.
Yeah.
Wow. Are you scared of something? Relax.
Should be fine.
Yeah. So what do I offer you guys?
Anything soft to go.
Okay. Anything soft.
I don't want anything on fine.
Don't worry, you will love what I'll bring, okay? Yeah. I'm gonna get you a wine I brought from abroad. Yeah. You'll love it. I'm coming with you. Just hold on.
If you try this rubbish again, calm down. If you try this nonsense again, why are you doing like this? Calm down. I don't know my friend.
Okay. This is a wine, and a good wine for that matter. You will actually love this. No alcohol, just a red wine, red grape drink.
Okay.
Fruit wine, yeah. Okay, I would want you to test this thing with something else. That's how I enjoy it. Yeah. You eat bushmeat?
Yes, I do. As a matter of fact, I like it.
Good.
But it's been long that I ate
Don't
bushmeat.
worry, you enjoy yourself today. With your friend.
No, I don't want bushmeat on friend.
You will love this one. This one is mother.
No, I should love it.
You know, mother. Then we. The woman sells an antelope too. When you test it, you will shout, "Oh my God." Okay, take this, go down the street. By the corner of my street, you see a woman that is selling it. All kinds of bushmeat. Just choose anyone you eat with a friend and them.
Alright.
Come so you guys will enjoy.
I'll do just that.
Come so you guys will enjoy. Okay?
Please don't stay long.
I'll stay
Come
long.
back now.
I'll stay long, my dear. I'm coming.
Be fast, okay?
Yeah.
Because I can see your friend is scared. So my dear, how are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine, right? Because you're fine. You look beautiful. You know, that very first day I met you, I set my eyes on you. I was like, wow. Wow, this girl is my spec. Woo-wee. So, I wanted to chill, enjoy yourself. I'm not going to hurt you, okay? Come on, cheer up. Beautiful. You look more beautiful when you smile. I'm going to open this thing now so you drink.
I don't want.
You don't want?
No, thank you, sir.
Oh, come on. Come on. You're behaving like a baby. Hmm? Are you a baby?
No.
I'm not going to bite you. Calm down.
See, I'm not saying you bite me.
Yeah.
But see, this your gender, they always have ulterior motives. So please, sir, go and sit down there. Let me sit down here.
This is my house. I can sit wherever I want to sit, you know. I actually asked people to come up to this small sitting room. The bigger one is over there. Okay? This is where I welcome good people, beautiful people like you. Okay? Don't worry. I'm not a bad gender. I'm better than those guys. I am single, well-to-do, I'm a businessman, so I can give you whatever you want.
For you, I don't want anything, sir.
Don't worry, you want something. If you accept my proposal, I'm gonna train you in school to any level you want, give you anything you want, you know, make you a better woman.
Thank you very much, sir, but I'm not interested.
Oh, come on, stop saying you're not interested.
Sir, stop now.
My hand is very soft now. Why are you scared?
See why I said I should come quick. Sir, don't touch me now. No.
Come now, calm down. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna take it hard on you. I'll take it very slow.
Oh, leave me alone. Leave me alone now. Sir, leave me alone.
Stop this thing, fine girl. Come on.
Sir, leave me alone.
Where are you going to?
Sir,
Stop
leave me
now.
alone.
Stop now. What is this?
Sir, leave me alone
Let's do
now.
this thing before your friend comes.
Let's do what?
You
I'm not
love
doing
it.
it. Leave me.
You love it. You love it. Hey. Leave that thing. That is how you people used to form that you wound yourself. You did not die anything. If I leave you now, you just run away like Tom and Jerry. That they are running that used to sound. Nobody will see you again. All I'll see is sand, dust. Get up. Babe. Babe. Ah. This girl, you're good to enter Nollywood and start acting the dying scene. Ooh. Egedege. Hello? Get up. Come on, get up. Hello? Hello? This girl, you can act. Why didn't you enter Nollywood and start acting film? Hello? Hello? This is serious. Hello? Ne? Ngwa is okay, ngwa binie o. Binie akwe na Igbo, abụ m onye Igbo. Binie o, nne. Yeah, come in. Come in. Oh, you're back.
Mr. Bonnie, where is my friend?
Your friend?
Yes. Has she left?
Your friend, we're trying to.
Jesus! Mr. Dominic, what did you do to my friend? What did you do to my friend?
Hey, shh. Just keep quiet. I am not a murderer. It wasn't deliberate. Okay?
You're an narcotic man.
Shut up, I am not a narcotic man. Don't make noise here. Do you understand? See, I am going to explain to you what happened. You know you left to go and buy bushmeat. And I was trying to...
You're trying to rape her.
No. I was trying to talk to her softly. I was trying to touch her and she started struggling. She started struggling and started running around.
How do you expect me to believe all these things you're saying?
You need to...
This is not our initial plan. You said you want to have a privacy with her. You just want to discuss with her.
Yes, but this wasn't intentional. Okay? I touched her. I'm not a vampire. I touched her. She started running and I started running. So we're kind of playing. And getting to this place, she wanted to jump and hit her head on the couch or floor. I don't know. And this happened. It wasn't deliberate. Please, I am sorry, okay? Hey. Are you trying to run? You want to go and cast me out there? Now listen. I do not want anyone to hear of this. If anyone gets to hear of this, I am going to kill you. And I'll kill anyone that hears of it. Yes, I'll do it. I promised you something, right? Now I am going to transfer 100,000 naira to your account. And also give you the iPhone that I promised you. Then you smile out of this place. Okay? Come on, smile. Come on, smile for me. Come on, smile. Smile, good girl. Good girl. Come on. Smile. Good. Good. Smile. Smile. That is it. That is it. That is it. Beautiful girl. Beautiful girl. I'm going to transfer 100k to your account. Then the iPhone that I promised you. Okay? No one should hear of this. No one should hear of this. It wasn't intentional to do this. Okay? We were actually even playing song before this thing happened. I was just trying to make her feel good. Did you get your bushmeat? Yeah. Don't worry, you enjoy it, okay? Yeah. What's your account number?
32.
32?
41.
41.
85.
85.
661.
661. You're calling it with agitation. This is not your numbers. Calm down and do... Calm down and do this!
Mr. Dominic, calm down now. It is 0, 0 at the end. 0. You see my name? My name will pop out.
Under the sun, forever, forever. Nothing is hidden under the sun, forever, forever. You can try to hide your sins, but judgment day is coming, is coming. You can only pretend, but judgment day is coming, is coming. No matter how smart you think you are, one day, your sins will catch up with you.
Yes, I have got it today. Let me see how you get away this time. I've got it today.
Tell me what's the meaning of this now? What's the meaning of this nonsense? Leave my hand! Why are you holding me like that?
Yeah.
Hey!
So you think you can finish my friend's money and get away with it, Abi? If you did not return this money, because I'll just remove all your teeth.
Clement, why are you holding her like that? Don't you know she's a woman? Why would you be holding a woman like that? Leave her alone, Joe.
First of all, tell your friend to return my money. She collected money from me from several occasions, promised me that she will come to my place. All of a sudden, she blocked me.
Even though. Is that why you hold her like that? Leave her alone.
No.
Come on, beat me now.
No.
Beat me.
See, so you think you can beat us, Abi? You think you can beat us? If you try it, I'll tell you that I have crisis in me already.
You have crisis.
Yes, now.
See, hello, if you are mad, you think you are mad, me, I'm crazy. If you think you don't have sense, me, I don't have anything in my head at all. You see this, you and your friend, I can beat the both of you.
You can beat us.
I can join the both of you together and I will beat you. Even if I cannot beat you, I will go and report you to my brother. You know my
brother?
Yes! You know my brother, Abi? You know my brother. I will report you to my brother. Now leave her alone. Leave me! Leave me!
I should leave you. Okay. It's both of you plan, guys. Okay.
You know what's up? Let's go.
It's for you. It's me and you in this village.
Let's go. You say you call your brother, Abi? Don't worry.
Like this was let's fool.
Oh, no, show.
In this village.
Me what?
I shall go.
Let's
go. Leave them.
Me what?
Let's go.
Completely.
Don't
Let's
worry.
go. Don't worry.
Don't worry. I know what to do.
You can do nothing. Nothing.
You can do nothing. I will give you. You can do nothing.
They would have beaten hell out of your body now. Wait, I don't understand you. If every man you see you collect money from, what is your problem? Are you going to pay my bills? Why are you judging me? Please, I don't have time for this. Biko, if you want to go, let's go, abeg. Who told you I can't even fight them? Let's go, abeg. They would have beaten you, your
fight them. I can fight them. I can fight them. I have all the power. You think I don't see? Leave me alone.
Hi.
Good
How are you?
afternoon, sir.
Hello. It's like your friend is not in her good state of mind.
Not really. She's not just used to talking to strangers.
Oh,
Most especially men.
okay. I would like us to discuss something very important.
Okay.
If you don't mind, can you come to my place?
You know, it cannot be now because, of course, I'm with my friend and I won't like to keep her waiting.
Of course, I don't mean it now. Maybe later. I can take your number and call you later.
Okay, that's no problem.
Okay. Do you have a phone there?
Yes.
Okay. Nice one.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll talk to you later, okay?
Bye.
Say hi to her for me.
What? Stella, how come you just stopped? You're talking to a stranger you don't know, just like that.
Be calming down. At least he look rich and responsible and he's cute.
You even gave him your number. He's cute.
Please, let's go, I beg.
Anyways, that's not my business. So. My own concern is that I do not like the way he was staring at me. I don't like it.
Maybe he likes you. Let's go.
Let's go before my brother starts looking for me.
Alright.
What is it? You sounded so urgent over the phone.
I wanted you to accompany me somewhere. I don't want you to get late.
Where are we going and who are we going to see?
You asked too many questions. Let's go before it gets late. Come now. Don't worry. It's not that I'm going to sell you to some kidnappers. Let's go. You know my friend.
No matter how smart you think you are, one day, your sins will catch up with you.
Oh my God. What have I gotten myself into?
I just dragged my only friend into the hands of the beast to get her killed. Ifeoma, please. I'm sorry. Forgive me. How do I live with this? How do I live with this?
Stella, this one you are sitting here all alone. I just hope you haven't been pregnanted because of money. I wonder why she is so determined to do anything for money. I just hope you don't end up killing your brother.
For your mind, you think you can play the game. No matter how smart you think you are, one day, your sins will catch up with you.
Oh, baby. My love. You need to calm down. Eh? I am sure she's fine wherever she is. Eh?
See, it's like he seems not to understand. Eh? Ifeoma that I know, I have not been outside like this before. Ever since I know Ifeoma as my blood sister, Ifeoma have not been outside for this long. You know, since I know her as my sister. Do you know that I went to her friend's house, Stella. I met Stella and her mom at home. They said that Ifeoma did not even step her foot in their house. This is just unlike Ifeoma. I don't just understand. Where could she be?
Just hold yourself together. Besides, the Ifeoma that I know is a very smart and disciplined girl. Eh?
She's just a little girl. That's why she's just so porous. Eh? That's why she's just so porous. I don't understand. Do you know the worst part of it? Eh? I have called her phone number. I have called her like not one, not two. I have called her severally. Her phone number was switched off. Keep telling me switched off. This number is not available. Where could she? Where could her phone be? Where could the phone be? Can I buy that phone? Eh? I keep calling her. Not switched. Her phone switched off, baby. Phone Ifeoma is switched off.
Could it be that her phone was stolen?
Stolen. And Yezuzi if Ifeoma a small girl, and Yezuzi already like that.
But you know, be not that, but I be cool.
Wait, listen. Can try by the phone again. Can you try her number again, so that you see what I'm telling you? Chalo, come pop you again. You hear? Come pop you.
The MTN number you're trying to call is currently switched off. Please try again later.
Still the same thing.
Thank you.
Switched off again. Her number switched off. Funny for my dad. Her number is switched off, baby. Where could she be now?
She'll be okay. She will come back. Don't worry. You know, but what will begin? Because
if someone keep giving me hypertension, maybe yeah, Ifeoma DM na high jump.
Ifeoma will come back. You know, go. Because
Chai! Not funny, her number is not going. Why is her number not going, baby? Ifeoma's number is not going, baby.
Nothing is hidden under the sun. Forever. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Forever. You can try to hide your sins, but judgment day is coming. You can only pretend, but judgment day is coming. No matter how smart you think you
Stella!
One day,
Stella!
your sins will catch up with you. No matter how smart you think you are, one day, your sins will catch up with you. No matter how smart you think you are,
Bella!
one day, your sins will catch up with you.
Mama, you startled me. Stella, Mama, I've been calling you, but you look carried away. Mama, why are you crying in the first place?
Mama, it's nothing. I was just thinking about our classmate that is suffering from leukemia.
Your classmate that is suffering from leukemia?
Yes, Mama.
Stella, let me ask you again. And I don't want lies. Are you sure Ifeoma did not tell you where she's going to? But because you little girls of nowadays are full of wonders.
Mama, I cannot lie to you about something like that. You were here when the brother came and I told him I don't know. Me and Ifeoma have not seen ourselves today at all.
But where could she have gone to? Yeah? I just pray that nothing happened to that poor orphaned girl. Please, help me to check the food on the fire so that it doesn't get burnt. Yeah? Let me quickly rush and see Mama Obinna.
Alright, Mommy.
Please. Remember to take those clothes inside.
Okay.
Please.
For your mind, yeah, you think you can play the game. Imarani buabo, nine shene no mirio. No matter how smart you think you are, one day, your sins will catch up with you. No matter how smart you think you are.
Hello, babe. How are you?
I'm not fine. You got me so worried. I want to be picking my calls.
My dear, I'm so sorry about that. I left my phone in the room and I'm just in the kitchen preparing what to eat. I'm sorry.
Is anything the matter? You don't sound cool at all.
No, I'm fine. No, it's just stress. Yes, I went to supervise my building, so I came back so tired. Don't worry, I'll be fine. How's my baby doing?
Baby is fine. Baby is gradually kicking. Just that we miss you.
I miss you guys too. But it's okay, it's just remaining 3 days. I'll soon be back. Okay?
Okay. Honey, please don't forget. Remember when you're coming back, my kid brother will be coming home with you.
Oh yes, I haven't forgotten. I'll come on. I will talk. It's still in my mind. I haven't forgotten at all.
Okay. Thank you, honey. Alright, honey. Take care of yourself. Love you.
I love you too. See you, okay?
Good night, baby. Bye.
Nothing is hidden under the sun. Forever. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Forever.
Calm down. Why are you running and screaming my name? What is wrong? What is it? Talk!
What has happened?
What happened? What happened now? Talk to us now. What happened?
It's your sister.
Ifeoma. My sister, Ifeoma. What happened to Ifeoma now? Talk to me. What happened to her?
Talk now!
Did you see her?
Come and see. Please, let's go and see for ourselves. Let's go.
What happened to her? What happened to Ifeoma? I don't know. Ifeoma! What happened to what happened here? I don't know. Who did this to her?
Let me say it again. When you get to the city, make sure you behave yourself. Shame into this family. I will not take it.
Mama, I like Odaoka. This is what I don't like. Images and I mean with respect. Have I brought shame upon this family before now?
This is the first time you're going to the city. You do about for now in Labanzu, and you carry feathers and put on your head with the white chalk and you walk around the place. They will arrest you. Whatever, they will arrest you. They will say that you're a ritualist. I got arrested. So better be sure of what you're doing with your life.
Meaning what, Keta? Because Mama, I don't like Oda. I'm an adult, for heaven's sake. Stop talking like I'm a baby.
My friend, you're my son. You will always be my baby.
Mama, since my father, I'm the father of this house. I'm the father of the house.
Not for persuasion. Would you agree to go to the city? No, we are not going to paper. I'm going to lead
I like Udi house. Next week I'll come back.
Thank God you want to transfer fare.
Oh, Mama, he's set.
Yes, so
okay.
I was just giving him a last-minute advice.
Nice one. Okay, I'm going to see you. What's going on? What's up, you?
On a palm too much.
We're 10 billion in accounts.
Advice. Advice can name.
Mama? Hold on. Please manage this for your upkeep.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
And then, if this one is for you, yeah.
Oh, Gabuchiane. Oh, Gabuchiane. When you get to the city, please greet my daughter and my unborn grandchild.
It's okay. They will hear. They will hear.
Oh, God, thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you very much.
We have to run along now before it gets dark.
Oh, no. Okay, no, if you're going.
Because when I was mom, as I know everything you could.
I'm afraid Jack and
Oh, no, I him too much.
Abuzu.
Okay, I'm buying motor.
Negi na akpali.
I mean,
Jeba moto.
next week, I'm about to know.
But in what one you give it? Mo tiki awesome ti. And your financial transfer. And your financial transfer.
Yeah, two boy. Yeah, two boy.
Oga buchionye. Hey. Nna. Fanu nna ya kan. Bye bye.
What?
Nna.
Ijeoma.
Nna.
Ijeoma no.
Nna Molesiano. Be a good boy.
Ijeoma no. Bye no.
Na ogwanne you na phone. You don't want na you go. No, it's a good thing he's going to the city now. You gotta go. Hey, at least now he will have a future.
We do.
You gotta go.
But Azoka, there's something I don't really understand.
What is it?
You and I know that Chima staying in this village is beneficial to you, even to the entire community.
I got to tell him how.
Chim is the one that inherited his grandfather's offer.
Mbamba Chijieba. Can't keep on Chima inherited the grandfather's offer. Why can't you inherit it? Obrofu grandfather Kononwe. What kind of nonsense is this? So you want my son to stay in the village and language, okay? While your own children are in the city making money, thriving very hard. Because he has given you money for your taba. You are now pleading on for Chima's case.
It has not come to that. I am sorry if my statement offended you.
Yes. I feel offended.
Let me be going.
I don't blame you. Because be going. I'm not doing for gum to when you're the same size of envelope. Okay, chuchunya something small. What are going to go taba? Chima should come and carry staff of office. Give my blue staff of office. Seba na Chima na noria. None your boy in the way. Nonsense. Why would my in-law even give us the same size of envelope? And the quack try better this time. Can go beyond. Uncle Monkey, and if he named this man, should have said, Mama, give this man some. Hey. Abrama. Hey, about awful nubu. Offense, Sere pass.
Chima,
Yes, sir.
your sister and I actually discussed and we've come to the conclusion that we were going to make you a supervisor in our bottling water company. So essentially, you can let us know if you want to continue or not.
Hey, thank you, sir.
And also, we're going to place you on a monthly salary of 80,000 naira.
80,000.
Yeah, if you really, really impress me, I can actually add up the money as time goes on.
Hey, Ogochu, thank you, sir. God bless you. Yeah, sister, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, Chima, you can go to your room. In case you need anything, do not hesitate to talk to your sister here.
All right, sir. Thank you, Sister Ime. Hey, thank you. Hey.
I like him. He's very humble and nice.
Yeah. Except because of his love for his religion.
I didn't say anything wrong with that. Religion. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. Everybody is free to do whatever they want to do in life.
I don't want to argue with you about that. Please. My baby needs to rest. I'm tired.
Of course, he needs to rest. Is he still kicking at all?
Of course. You too, baby. It's kicking, right?
Now that the government has hold it very serious, yes. All our road had. But Ifeoma's death is still a shock to me. I wonder how Ikenna, her brother, is going to deal with this.
My sister, you needed to see the way his brother was crying beside her corpse.
I don't know, but something tells me that she might have been killed by all these ritualists that followed girls around.
Chinenye, don't say what you don't know. Ifeoma was never that type of girl that follow men around.
But Stella, her friend, does. Like they say, birds of the same feather flocks together.
Chinenye, look at my hands, oh. Look at my handprints. They are all clean. Oh. I wasn't part of this discussion.
Yeah, Uju, look at the way we are going now. Where are you going? I'm sorry. I have come. Let's go. Uju.
If I wonder, I don't know. I don't know. Afumaya fogolo gimi. Afumaya afumbadambu kuya. Adamu amuya. I don't know. I don't know. I am so sorry. Ifeoma, I'm so sorry that I'm not there to protect you when you needed me the most. Ifeoma, I don't know. I am so sorry. I wasn't there when you needed me to protect you. I'm so sorry. I don't know. I don't know. Go forgive me. I don't know. May you expose whoever that did this to you. May you expose all of them, man or woman. Wanna marry, anybody that took your life untimely. May you expose all of them. May you make their life a living hell on earth. Now, if I'm a wallow can make may them know no peace. If may your soul know no peace until we get justice. If may you no rest until we get justice. If may your soul take no rest until we get justice. I am so sorry that I failed you as a brother and a father. If forgive me. But if I promise you, I promise you that if you expose anybody that kills you, if you expose anybody that is behind your death, if I make a papaya, If you expose anybody that is behind your death, Ifeoma, if you can expose them to me, Ifeoma, let your God Nebuelo double Santana. You're dog! It's okay. Ifeoma, it's okay, let's go. It's okay.
Ifeoma.
Ifeoma, one more.
Ifeoma, may you know peace. Ifeoma, please fight.
If you're gonna bully me, Ifeoma, they cannot gonna give me they can't Ifeoma one them. They can't Ifeoma one them. They cannot gonna give me who will I sing my song to? Or they can make person
Let's go. Nem, we are doing well, yes. I know. No reason to complain. Mata is here now. Mata is very hardworking. Hey, that girl will make a good housewife. But she's taking care of things, yes. Yes. Biko, Kanjukwa, I hope Chima is not stressing you. Ona kanzu na bed. Well, how are you doing? I hope you're exercising. You need it though because of your condition. You are? Oh, that's good. Mbamba, don't worry, Mata is doing very well. Okay. Take care of yourself, eh? And say me hi to your husband. Alright? Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Hey. Mata!
Yes, Mama.
Mata! Oh.
Yes, Mama.
Bia.
Ma?
Have you eaten?
No, Mama.
Makakinisi, do you want the food to get cold before you eat?
Mama, don't worry. Even if the food gets cold, I'll warm it. I just want to sweep here properly and with the backyard soon.
I'll wait for you. You will make a good wife.
Thank you, Mama.
Yeah?
Thank you, Mama.
Darling. Okay, go and continue with it.
Okay, Mama.
Darling. Okay, Buba. I would have recommended this young girl as a wife to you. I know you're trying to get Kanzuki.
Chima is my brother, but I'm gradually losing it. How can a normal person, at this 21st century, be practicing all the nonsense he's doing.
Eh? I can understand how you feel. I can understand how you feel.
Do you know, if I tell you, okay, how will you feel if I tell you that Chima doesn't have any girlfriend? It's not funny. What's funny about it?
Nick, I'm sorry. It's not like I'm making fun of you or anything. Just that it sounds so strange. And what have you really done about this?
What can we do? Chima is a grown-up boy. He doesn't take any advice from anybody. He does whatever he wants to do. So, just let him be.
Don't you think it's time for you to tell your husband to get a powerful man of God to deliver him? God knows what and what he must have deposited here.
Why did I think of this? It's true. Maybe I should just make a call and tell my husband. Yes, it's true.
Be careful how you live your life. Be careful. Makuku nagaza. Anya nagawa. Anya funa fukwanya o. Makana keji ono. Anya melono. Ete mwambo bianiru.
Let me show my back.
Kimanka. Imara wankozo. Be careful. For your mind, dear, you think you're wise. Imara ni buabo. Nine seneno mili.
Go and tell my brother what happened to me.
When I know go nwoke o Dominic yakwa ye nwenwe obukwatakazi origaria siko nkwatala anyị eke no ya afọ nkwọ anyị na no boss na no we na yo biko nekwe nne m wa azuka nekwe nwanne nwaanya o nne ka ndị isi adị ha mma mbọ na agba nwọ si na ibe nne eme wo ka na wo men ka ndị aghọta na ọkwa ka a na-echukwa ka ọ dị mma obukwatakarịcha origaria asị na akụlo na afọ ịkpatarịa siko nwolo akụcha m mma ego oyibo ego chụrụ ibi ọzọ ọya ka nna ya ọmanụ na-emekwe m nsi na nwere aka nwata anyị were na aka okenye nabata were aka ogbenye unu were na aka ọgaranya nabata.
Chima, sometimes I wonder why you're so impossible. At this 21st century, a matured man like you is still going around with cola nuts, practicing nonsense, this fetish thing in my house.
See, watch what you say to me. What I'm doing is not fetish.
Hey, will you shut up? Will you shut your trap? Have you lost your manners? Did you forget I'm your elder sister? Why did you bend on disgracing this family? At your age, you don't even know how to pray. Is this nonsense you're doing?
Please don't call that doing nonsense. At least I know how to communicate with God and my ancestors.
Which God?
I don't know.
What God are you talking about? Which God are you talking about?
Born on Sunday,
What God?
That's what you know. You bring all those your hungry pastors here.
What God? What God are you talking about? Do you know who is God? Let me warn you, Chima. You are no longer in the village. If anything happens to you, if you get arrested anytime, anywhere, with this your fetish thing you're carrying around, Don't call me. I will deny you. I will say I don't even know you. You're not like my sister. I am not your sister at all. Don't even bother. Don't call me. I blame you.
See, you think it's by... I was on my own in the village. Again, you dragged me. You and Mama dragged me. Azoka. If I go back to that village now with you people come to scare me away from my father's house. I was on my own in the village. You brought me here. I don't want to see finish. I'll go back to the village.
Go back to the village.
I was doing it in my father's house. You call me here. You and Mama. Were you not the one that conspired with Mama to bring me?
Keep quiet, idiot.
So why there?
Anyways, let me warn you. Don't litter this house. This is my peaceful home with this your fetish thing. Before you invoke all these spirits in this peaceful home. Mind yourself, oh. Mind yourself, Chima. Nonsense, man. I don't know what you're invoking. And this home is a peaceful home. Don't invoke any nonsense to hear from you. No. Every time. Ancestor Mogi dear. Jesus.
One name is there, I'm going to make it. You go on, is here, go and what the name. No more Viana, because we never going to leave which are there. You go, I young. Because.
Give me peace. They have to innocent cries.
I thought you were dead. Sorry, it's a slip of tongue. But how did you enter here? What happened? How?
I only asked that you let me go. I pleaded with you to leave me alone, but you wanted my body.
It wasn't intentional at all, and you know it. You know, it was intentional. Just that I liked you. I was tripped. I didn't mean to hurt you or anything. Please, I'm sorry.
Dominic, I would destroy everything that makes you whole and happy. It's a promise.
Hey! Holy. Holy.
Who are you talking to?
Nobody. I'm talking to nobody.
Are you sure you're okay?
Of course I'm sure. I'm just singing, talking to myself. You heard me shouting holy, right? Like holy, Lord God Almighty. I was just trying to go in the mood of prayers. Lord in three persons.
Okay.
Blessed Trinity. What?
The breakfast is ready.
Okay. Just give me a few minutes. I'm coming. Okay?
Alright.
Yeah.
Be fast, forget.
Yes.
Alright.
Okay, babe.
Yeah.
Holy.
For your man, dear, you think you're wise. Imarani Babo, Nina Senena Mili.
If you want them, I want you to do something for me now. Just I want you to tell me your honest assessment on this my musical career. I don't care what in kiss we are full a one net na. I'm not good na. I'm a papa. I'm not good na in terms of musical, in terms of music. And when me and it is my calling. Okay, we're going to be A1. I even call you A1. And when me, mana, Ify, do you think I should continue this music or fit it? Does it fit me?
It makes you happy. So that makes it worth it. At least it's better than collecting keke from somebody and riding their keke and having issues with them. You understand? So all you need is just a little brush up here and there and probably a very good sponsor who believes in your talents. Because you have talents. You understand?
Hi. That's exactly where my problem lies. Sponsorship. Onye ya sponsor just obele ego now. Onye ya sponsor me one just sponsor them like 5 tracks. 5 hit track. Blow no man if I'm blow just give me a sponsorship. What put obele ego like 2.5 million. Buelo ka 5 track. If I'm a Maid Grammy, baby. Maid Grammy award, baby. For who sponsor this career? Huh? Chai. See, Ify, you see this my musical career, I will keep doing it. I will continue doing it, regardless of all the trolls and the mockeries from the street. I will never stop. At least I am proud of myself. At least ever since Mama and Papa passed away, we've been surviving from my musical career, from all the shows, Friday shows, Sunday shows that I used to go. 1 or 2 may ago, they used to spray me money because of I am good in music. If you want them,
and I am proud of you too. But don't worry, before I finish school, I'll try my possible best to get good grades. So when I get good grades, when I'm out of school, I'll look for a better job. So that when I get a better job, I'll be able to sponsor you.
Adana. You mean if you finish school now and get a good job, you will sponsor me? Adana, I know that you will make me proud in this world. I know that you will make me proud. That's why I keep fighting and doing my best to make sure that you are good. Adana, you see, the sky is your limit. You don't need to say it. The sky is your limit, baby. Adana. See, let me just, for this thing that you said now, let me just lighten up my world. Like, let me spark up my world and compose a wonderful song for you. Let me just lighten up small and compose song for you. Don't worry.
I thought we agreed no smoking when we are together. No smoking.
But you know, this thing cool down my brain and gives me inspiration. This thing is a source of inspiration, baby.
It's not true.
If I were inspiration, if I take this thing now, if you see my voice like OBO, like 30 BG, if you can voice on me and other can me lag on a microphone, it gives me inspiration, baby.
That's not true. I don't believe that. See, your inspiration comes from within, from inside your heart of hearts. Just search for it and it will spark up.
If I want them, see, I have told you severally how much you remind me of our mama, how much you remind me of Nemula. Nemuli papaya. See, when I sight you like this, I see the picture of our mother. Now for photo mommy, I done them. Kampale gitake work about me I go na for video August meeting ita ka bo me I go put on August meeting no welu kwet takate bedine if I'm a banyo When I look at Ifeoma, I done them all. Now full picture mommy ma. When I look at Ifeoma, one them all. Now full enyon them all. And your mommy ma. When I look at Ifeoma, one them all. Ifeoma banyo, nekene kosi amu, nekene ni imi ya tologo nogo. Ifeoma one.
I'm sorry for causing you so much pain, brother. You warned me severally about my friend Stella, but I didn't listen. Now look at me. I am restless and broken. Please forgive me. Take heart and move on. I shall find justice for you and for myself.
This is wrong. Your food is ready.
Rose, I am not hungry. I'm not ready to eat anything. I go out that gum. I am not hungry.
Why are you doing this to yourself? Eh? You know you've not taken anything since morning. Pico, no, Pico.
Saying I go out that gum. I am not ready to eat yet. Come and chill in me.
Baby, listen to me. I understand your pain. But she's dead. And there is nothing we can do about it. You will end up hurting yourself if you continue like this. Bikono. Eh? Look, I will not forgive myself if anything happened to you. Biko. For my sake.
The heart of innocent cries. Give me peace, give me peace. The heart of innocent yells. Give me peace, give me peace. 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 The heart of innocent.
You can actually see me.
I mean, if I can't see you, I wouldn't be asking. Moreover, this is the second time I've been seeing you around. What's wrong? Did anyone beat your... Someone snatched your phone or snatched your man? You know, you ladies. Yeah. So what's the matter? Okay, anyway. I'm Chima. And you?
Ifeoma.
Ifeoma. Yeah, please. Don't cry, eh? Or tell me what's troubling you.
Someone took something away from me.
Someone took something from you? Something like what?
Just go home. You won't understand.
Okay, you stay around here. You have a house here or your family house or something. Hmm? Okay. Sorry, eh? See, I'm not in the mood to talk to me. But whatever it is that was stolen from you, just stop crying. Believe God will replenish the 100 folds, okay? Don't cry. You are too beautiful to cry. Oh? Take care.
Give me peace, 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 give me
Mama, you startled me.
Why are you screaming? Eh? Hey, my friend, take this money. Go to Edu's chemist store. Get me the diclofenac. I'm having body ache. Hurry up!
I hate you.
What is wrong with this girl? I asked this girl time without me. What is your problem? She don't want to share her problem with me. Every time she's standing like a thief. Eh? Go, there, go. Stella, I have asked you time without number what is wrong with you. But you keep on telling me nothing is wrong with you. Eh? Last night, you left your room and came to my room to sleep. And I asked, you said you just had a horrible nightmare. Eh? Today again, I was told you are running without no one is chasing you. Stella, what is the problem? What is wrong with you?
Mama, I've told you it's nothing. It's nothing. I saw Snake at the entrance of our house and he tries to attack me and I ran.
Hey!
Nothing happened.
Stella.
Mama.
I carried you in my womb for good 9 months. And I raised you to this age. I can easily tell when you are lying. You are lying to me. Tell me the truth.
Mama, you keep saying I'm lying. I've told you what happened. That is what happened. And you keep insisting I'm lying. What do you want me to do? I'm not lying to you.
Okay, now, talk to me as your mother.
Oh.
Let's talk like mother and child. Eh? Did you steal from anyone?
Mama.
Or have you started visiting native doctors? Because I know you do not stay one place.
Mama, I don't like all these things you are saying. No. Eh? How can you be insinuating something like that? Eh? Ma, please. No.
Alright. No problem. Since you don't want to tell me what your problem is. But one thing I know is that thing you are hiding, that thing you are hiding, if you messed yourself up, you will have yourself to do.
I'm not hiding anything.
You are not hiding anything?
No, Mama.
I'm your mother. If you don't tell me what is your problem, who can you tell your problem? Eh? I've said my own, no. If you messed yourself up, ask one and Magwarogi.
He's a beast. He's a beast. He's a beast. Half human being. Half human being. Separaya. Seraya. Kinaya burapofu. Kinaya burapofu. My child. He looks kind. But dangerous. He looks kind. But he's dangerous. He's capable of destruction.
It's not about the phone, no, sir. Eh? My friend keep appearing to me and she's tormenting my life. It's not. She even spoke to me. She told me to go and confess what happened to her. Huh? You better do something about it, though, because my mother has begun to grow suspicious and she's tormenting me. Eh? Please, do something.
All right.
Destroy you, and he can defend. Beware of him. Remember, he's not your time. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Forever, forever. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Forever, forever.
I should have told twice for allowing to come stay with us from the village. Useless boy.
Sister K, why all this games again? Why insulting me?
Useless boy. Fool. Wizard. You are a wizard.
More wizard?
Yes.
Baby, it's okay.
Baby, don't tell me, don't think. Let me talk to this stupid brother of mine. You're a wizard. You think I don't know what you're doing? I know. You are the cause of this my misfortune.
No, baby, I said it's okay.
I wanted you to stay in the village, but Mama did not allow me to.
It's okay. Come on.
Stupid man. Stupid woman. Idiot. I know that because of this. Don't make him alone. Wizard. You say you're my brother, but you're not my brother. I know what you have done. You make me lose this man. He can't hate you. So stupid.
How you live your life, be careful. Makoko naga zaza, anya naga wako, anya fana fanya o. Makana deji onya melonongu, etema.
Hi, Chima.
Hi, Foma.
You look troubled.
I'm fine.
No, you're not. You look like someone has ruined your day.
Yes, but I don't wish to talk about it, please.
Why?
Because it wouldn't make any sense. No one seems to understand me. It wouldn't make any sense.
Okay. I'm ready to listen and understand whatever it is. So tell me. I'm listening.
Just weeks ago, I moved to this town from the village. I moved in to stay with my elder sister and her husband. Just last night, my sister lost her child and after a miscarriage. Now she's accusing me of perpetrating the whole thing.
How would your sister lay such heavy allegations on you?
Apparently, I'm a traditionalist, so I pray to God and my ancestors, so everyone erroneously perceives me to be evil and diabolic. You know, right from birth, I was told that I'm the next custodian to my late grandfather's offer. And honestly, it's not been easy for me. It's a very heavy burden for me to carry. Sometimes I wish it shouldn't have been me. I mean, look at me at my age. No friends, no girlfriend. I feel so ashamed to even say it out. And the worst part of it is that everybody virtually sees me like a mad person. Like I'm not normal before everybody. Eh? I'm a nerd. Like everybody sees me as evil, including my own elder sister and my mother.
It's okay. But if you ask me, I would say you shouldn't be mad at your sister. Yes, I mean, she's just going through difficult times. But that will be temporary. Because very soon, those involved in your sister's predicament will be exposed.
That has been my next prayer. Honestly, I pray and hope so. Because I'm already tired. I'm fed up. In fact, as it stands, I'm willing to swear to any date just to prove my innocence. I'm tired. Yes.
It won't get to that.
I'm tired. Honestly, thanks for giving me your listening ear. It's been fun talking to you. I think so far you're the first woman I've had a lengthy conversation with.
It was fun talking to you too. I mean, I think I'm getting fond of you.
Now she's making me shy. Talking about you, the last time I remember I saw you crying, you made mention of something like someone taking something from you. I guess you've had whatever it is back.
Not really. But I'm very close to getting what I want.
I pray you get whatever it is back. Don't cry again like that.
Baby, are you not seeing what this guy is playing? Oh my god. Oh my god, look at. Whoa. Where are you going? Whoa.
I'm going to pack my stuff and I'm heading to the village.
For what? Why?
You know what? You are the cause of all this. Yes, you are the cause of everything that happened to me. I should have just gone ahead to invite the prayer warriors. But he said no. That I should allow Chima live his life. Now you see. I carried this pregnancy for almost 9 months. And I lost the baby.
Babe, come on. Miscarriage is the normal thing. Not that it's good, but it happens. And that's not the reason you should blame it on your brother because he doesn't go to church.
Yes, I'll blame it on him. I blame everything on Chima. Since ever Chima stepped his evil feet in this house, everything changed. Look at you. You're not behaving as if you're under his spell. I don't even know my husband anymore.
Me?
Yes, you.
Under a spell?
Yes.
Babe, it's okay. Sit down, please. Please sit down. I know your pains. I know what you're passing through. But it's gonna be fine. Okay? It will be alright. We're in this together. We lost our baby. It's ours. But I believe that very soon, God will bless us with another. Okay?
It's me. I am tired.
It's okay.
Nothing is hidden under the sun. Forever. You can try to hide.
Azoka, there is no way Chima is going to swear an oath. Simply because his sister had a miscarriage. Do you want to tear this family apart?
Let me tell you, there is no way Mobo Mother will let this issue slide. Chima we're talking about is also my son. But if he has a hand in his sister's miscarriage, then he has to pay for it.
If he's responsible. You are not even sure. So what are you trying to insinuate? That Chima is evil or what?
No, but it is obvious now that he is.
Azoka, let me ask you. All this while you have been staying in this village with Chima, eating and drinking from the same pot and plate. Why haven't Chima killed you if that is that evil?
Please don't ask me that kind of
No, I will ask you. Because you have to get your facts straight. Before you begin to talk. Clean that mouth of yours. It's not necessary. Chima is not evil. And the decision of where the Omona stands is final. Chima is not going to swear any oath. He's not going to swear any oath.
Is that what you have to say?
Yes.
Is that all you have to say?
Yes.
Why am I asking you? Because I've always known that you side Chima. Even when he's doing evil, doing bad things, you will always side Chima. Eh? You see the uncle for Omona, all the things you people put upon my son's head, it will backfire. Why didn't your own child or you yourself become whatever it is that you people have put on Chima? My son will not do that nonsense. Oh, maybe not going
Azoka, where am I your Don't commit abomination you will not be able to carry.
What do you mean by abomination?
Don't commit abomination you will not be able to carry.
Is it your business?
Don't commit abomination you will not be able to carry.
And don't put that thing you put on him.
Azoka, you cannot fight the gods. You cannot fight the gods.
What has the gods got to do?
The gods are choosing Chima, and there's nothing you can do about it.
My God, who is in heaven, will make sure that whatever you people put through your own gods will backfire. Back to sender.
No problem.
Yes, there's problem. Back
I'm
to
leaving.
Sender. Leave.
Azoka, I'm leaving.
Leave. That thing you people put on top of upon my son, it will go in Jesus' name. Agma bind their cast.
No problem. I have saved my own. The chick said that he's not shouting. He's shouting that people will hear his voice. I'm talking so that people will hear my voice.
You're shouting.
I'm telling you.
You're shouting.
I'm telling you,
Azoka.
Leave this young man alone. Leave Chima alone, Azoka. Let me warn you. Chima has been chosen by the gods, by his forefathers, to represent the affairs of this community, and there's nothing you can do about it. If you stand on their way, they will crush you down. If they stand with you, they will bury you.
Crush. Go. Every time you come here and cause trouble.
No problem.
Unu bully you never pass in one bulun zutinye naka or kulun tell you zunaga. Fafura gibunya, Fafuru mu gibunya, na afio. Nonsense. Chima we throw that nonsense away. Now na tenzu ibi na about perfume on na tenzu. Nonsense. Na tenzu.
Dominic.
Yeah.
You were sounding so nervous over the phone. What's the problem?
Yeah, bro. I've dug a hole so deep that I cannot come out from it.
You dug a hole. You're still speaking in rhetoric. What hole are you talking about?
Brotherly, some months ago, I killed a schoolgirl who is now haunting me. Now, my family.
How? Why? I don't know you to be that kind of a man.
Yes, you're right, but what happened actually was that the last time the thing is that I saw this girl and got attracted to her. The last time I traveled to the village to supervise my building project.
Okay.
So I asked a friend to arrange her for me. So when she came to my house, I was trying to make love to her. Meanwhile, she kept resisting. All of a sudden, I didn't even know when I pushed her accidentally. And she hit her head on the couch and fainted.
What? You tried to rape a teenage girl?
Bro, these questions now are not necessary. What's the solution? Okay, because this thing is haunting me. This girl's spirit is haunting me and my family. And she's the cause of my wife's miscarriage. And my wife is now accusing the younger brother. Brother, the main thing is that where do we go? Where do we go to end this terror? Do you know of anywhere to go so these things will end?
Dominic, this is bad. But it's alright. I know of a strong guy in Baba. But I don't think you will find him easygoing. But I am sure he has a lasting solution to this whole problem. I mean,
where do we go? The weekend is too far. This girl might kill me before the time.
Let's visit him by the weekend, please. Weekend is fine.
That's what I'm saying. It's too far. This girl might kill me before weekend.
We can't go just now. It doesn't work like that, right? Don't worry. I know what I will do. Sorry, I will place a call across,
okay,
and then inform him that we'll be visiting him in 2 days' time.
Oh, that's fair enough. That's fair enough. Thank you so much. I know I can always count on you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate it.
It's fine, bro. How did you end up with this whole kind of... This is too much.
Okay. Let me just...
Let me drop you off.
Nem, how are you?
Mama, how will I be fine? How will I be fine when I lost my first and only first seed? Everybody be laughing at us now. All because I have a diabolic brother. Mama, I'm not okay. No. I'm not fine, Mama.
Nem, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. All was my fault. For suggesting that you people take him in. All my fault, because Bayalo.
But you don't need to blame anybody. The deed has already been done. So what is Uncle and the Kingsmen saying about it?
Huh. What else would they say? Even on Uncle Abe. They said that Chima will not take the oath. That taking the oath will bring division in the family. Uncle Fagi, they are one.
I thought as much. After all, I'm a woman, he's a man. Oh my God.
Hey. Nem, Biko, Ejim Chukwayo, just take it easy, okay? Don't fight him. Just take it easy. I'm sure with time, God will vindicate you. The truth will prevail, Biko.
Okay, Mama, thank you. I've heard what you said.
Ngwanu, take care of yourself, oh? And be strong. Be prayerful, oh? Onemo.
I will. Bye.
Okay. God bless you.
Nothing is hidden under the sun. Forever. You can try to hide your sins, but judgment day is coming. It's coming. You can only pretend, but judgment day is
What are
coming.
you doing now? You're supposed to be on bed with me.
Maybe I've been reflecting on everything that has happened.
Baby, overthinking won't solve any problem. You need to catch some sleep, please.
It's alright.
So, can we go to bed? Please.
It's okay.
Alright. So I'll just hold your phone. Thank you.
Be careful how you live your life. Be careful. Makukuna kazaza.
Nwada, I, a chair of Fun in Naleguki Doma, I have come to put an end to your menace. And I decree that you must go back to the other side of your divine where you belong. And you shall take your eternal rest from today. You shall cease to toil the path of vengeance. I have decreed, and so shall it be.
Echewa fun. Echewa fun. Echewa fun. Otupin. Eyinyan. Nalikuki dolman. Ala kpofu tumiye. Kpofu tumiye. Kpofu tumiye. Ebi. Eko tupin. Eyinyan. Otupin. Eyinyan. Otupin. Eyinyan. Otupin. Eyinyan. Otupin. Eyinyan. Akiti kayin. Ala kpofu tumiye. Akiti kayin. Ala kpofu tumiye. Kpofu tumiye. Akiti kẹyin ẹ̀tẹ́wọ̀ fúnlò eke yíyan eyíyan òtúbí eyíyan. You have been chained and you shall never return or come back again. So ẹ̀tẹ́wọ̀ fún ẹ̀tẹ́wọ̀ fún ẹ̀tẹ́wọ̀ fún.
Nika, I am very sorry for not showing up after this misfortune that happened. I traveled to Ibadan to visit my sick mom.
My dear, it has happened. But what can I say?
So were there any issues that led to the miscarriage, or it just happened?
And it just happened. After my husband had a very terrible dream. I woke up and saw myself bleeding.
This sounds like a spiritual attack. Sounds so strange.
I thought so too. I boldly said to my brother that he was behind it. And I said to him that he must swear. I and Mama agreed to it. But the king's men refused.
Chima has really gone far. He has really gone far.
Yes, so Mama told me to ignore him for now. Before he will cause more problems. So I just said to just let it
be. Yeah, Mama is right. Just avoid him for now.
Mama, I will.
Yes.
I'm doing that.
Sorry about that.
Thank you. Thank you for coming. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
I'm leaving.
Rose. You are leaving?
I am leaving. Yes, I said so. I am leaving.
Rose, I thought you said you would stay till the weekend.
Yes, I said so. But I've changed my mind. Ikenna, it seems my staying here isn't solving anything at all. Ikenna, take a look at yourself. You've suddenly become a shadow of yourself since Ifeoma left. Ikenna, you no longer eat or even attend shows and would prefer to sit at home and smoke all day. Now tell me, must you force yourself into depression because of Ifeoma's death? I want to know. Tell me, Ikenna, I want to know. When we can know Ajomenuya.
Rose, you will not understand. Rose, you will not understand what I am feeling. You will not understand my pain. Rose, I was duty bound to protect her. But I failed her when she needed me the most. I failed.
Ikenna, none of what happened was your fault, and you know. Ikem, you can't possibly be omnipresent to help her when her life was on the line. Believe me, Ifeoma will not be happy to see you like this wherever she is. You have to move on. You need to brace up. Lick your wound and go on. Bikono, do you want to kill me? Do you want to kill me, Kenna? I'm here for you. Please, for my sake.
My only sister. I don't know if my only sister that I have.
I understand, but I'm here.
She is dead.
I understand. You know I love you. Bikono, don't do this, please. Kenna, stop. I'm sorry, please stop.
I'm so sorry, Rose.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, stop crying, it's okay. I love you, okay? It's okay.
I failed Ifeoma, my sister.
It's okay.
I don't know.
But I'm here for you.
I'm so sorry.
Chima.
Yes, sir.
Did you say you don't want to be working at the company again? Because I don't want to believe that your new resolution is because of your sister's strange behavior towards you.
No, Mba. It doesn't have anything to do with my sister. Besides, I'm used to her. The thing is just that I've always desired to be a boss of my own. You know, under somebody now, yes sir. It's not my thing. Besides, once in a while, there will be every need for me to be going to the village and, fulfilling my traditional obligations. So, to be best, I stay on my own.
That's a wonderful idea.
Yes, sir.
No, it's a nice one. So what exactly do you want to do? What kind of work is in your mind to do? Huh? Chima.
Sir?
Are you here with me at all?
Sorry, I thought I saw something at the gates just now. Sorry, you were saying?
Anyway, it's okay. We'll discuss about it when I come back.
Okay.
Abi you don dey see all these fresh girl wey plenty for area? Dem plenty o, but dem go be you sha.
I never knew it would be this easy. You know, we are actually doubting if this thing could work. The spirit doesn't appear anymore in my dream. Yeah, just come on. I'm free.
I told you, Ojiji is exactly what he thinks of himself. Many politicians and top businessmen go to him for fortification.
My brother, I will not doubt this. My brother, I will not doubt it.
You don't need to.
I will never doubt it. You know, right now I can have my peace of mind. I can rest now. At least I can start thinking of how to make more babies.
Exactly. That's what's up, bro.
I appreciate my brother.
Dominic!
I appreciate. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. What about Neka? I hope she's not still having it hard with her brother.
I still sense some malice anyway, but you know, it's normal with women. I know they will still hook up. They are blood siblings.
Sure, they will. They will. Thank God. Thank you so much. Please be safe, eh? Be safe. Careful. Dominic!
My guy. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Okay.
No matter how smart you think you are, one day, your sins will catch up with you. No matter how smart you think you are, one day, your sins will catch up with you. No matter how smart you think you are.
Peace, give me peace, give me peace, give me peace. Give me peace, give me peace, give me peace,
What are you doing here?
give me peace, give me peace.
How did you get in here?
Chima, please, I need your help.
No. You have to answer me first. How do you even know I stay here?
I'll answer all these questions later. But for now, I really need your help, please. My soul is troubled.
You know, right now you need to calm down and tell me what's going on. You don't even look bright.
Let's meet at our usual spot.
Former. Who hurt you? What's wrong? Right, you can tell me now. You look so troubled.
Who are you talking to?
Uzi again. I'm standing here alone now. Which one am I talking to? I'm here all alone now.
Yeah, here all alone. But I heard you having a conversation with somebody.
Yeah. I've been here all alone now. Who am I talking to? I'm here meditating.
Anyways, I'm not surprised. I know what you're capable of doing. So like stand here. So business.
I don't want to get back.
Give me peace, give me peace, give me peace.
Good evening, my daughter. How was lesson today?
Lesson was fine. Mama, I'll be inside.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hey, Stella, please come. There is something I wanted to ask you. It's about Ifeoma's death.
Mama, what about it?
There has been rumors circulating the village that she was killed by suspected Yahoo boy ritualists whom she visited for money. Is it true?
Mama, you and I saw how her body was done by the roadside. I don't know anything about it. I don't have any idea.
Stella!
Mama.
I thought Ifeoma was your best friend.
Mama, the fact that she's my best friend, I don't follow her everywhere.
Hey.
It's now.
Okay. I said I should ask. Because you children of nowadays are full of wonders. Yeah? Now you don't know what happened to your friend.
Mama, please, I'm hungry.
You are hungry. Hey!
here without food.
Please, I don't have your strength. Have you seen Chima?
That one be like breeze now. When they come out. Sometimes he go dey talk to himself. It be like say that boy don't come out before.
I've actually been noticing it too. Chima has been acting strangely lately. Even Madam has been complaining.
Better be you. Make I go cycle. Before he go come out for change. And small. Better madness dey take start.
You that is talking, you also need a psychiatric doctor. I even thought you know where he is safe.
So, this small guy, don't they talk to me anyhow in this household? See you! You wear the whole food wey you dey eat for this house. You dey show for only your waist.
Hell is she? What is that she doesn't even have a phone I can reach out?
Give me peace, 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 give me peace. The heart of innocent Christ. Give me peace, give me peace. The heart of innocent years. Give me peace, give me peace, give me peace, give me peace, give me peace.
Oh, when did we get here? I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Give me peace, the heart of innocent Christ. Give me peace.
I called you here because I want us to talk about something.
Wait. Let's get on the straight. First and foremost, you always appear and disappear. And it seems I'm the only one seeing you. Look at what you did at the house. Huh? You always put me in trouble. And you don't even change this dress. Each time I see you, you're always in this dress. What do I... Just tell me what I need to know. Because right now, I'm running out of my mind. Oh no, what are you? It's fine. I see you are not ready to have this conversation.
Chima, wait. Chima. It's a long story.
Okay. I'm all ears. Guess that's why we are here now. I'm listening.
I want you to promise me that whatever I have to tell you now, you won't tell anybody.
Deal, I'm listening.
I'm not human.
That's supposed to be some sort of joke or what? I mean, standing before me here is a very beautiful and admirable lady, so I can see you. So what are you saying? Because you are not making any sense.
I am a ghost.
Please try to make sense. I don't understand.
My life was taken away from me unjustly. And ever since, my soul has not been able to find rest.
Wait. You are confusing me the more. Like you are complicating this whole thing. First of all, you said your life was taken unjustly. And then your soul not being at rest. So the nagging question is, who took your life unjustly? And under what circumstance?
Dominic, your brother-in-law, he's the beast that took my life.
Just come in, the door is open. Oh, hi.
Good day, Mr. Dominic.
Good day. Please sit down and make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
Oh, you're here with your friend.
Yes.
My dear, calm down, okay? We don't eat people here.
Yeah.
Okay? You guys, you tried so much to have brought your friend.
Yeah.
Wow. Are you scared of something? Relax.
She'll be fine.
Yeah. So what do I offer you guys?
Anything soft to go.
Okay. Anything soft.
I don't want anything on fine.
Don't worry, you will love what I'll bring, okay? Yeah. I'm gonna get you a wine I brought from abroad. Yeah. You love it. I'm coming with you. Just hold on.
If you try this rubbish again, calm down. If you try this nonsense again, why are you doing like this? Calm down. I don't know my friend.
Okay. This is wine, and a good wine for that matter. You will actually love this. No alcohol, just red wine, red grape drink.
Okay.
Fruit wine, yeah. Okay, I would want you to test this thing with something else. That's how I enjoy it. Yeah. You eat bushmeat?
Yes, I do. As a matter of fact, I like it.
Good.
But it's been long I ate
Don't
bushmeat.
worry, you will enjoy yourself today. With your friend.
No, I don't want bushmeat on friend.
You will love this one. This one is mother.
Don't worry, she'll love it.
You know, mother. Then we. The woman sells an antelope too. When you taste it, you will shout, "Oh my God." Okay, take this, go down the street. By the corner of my street, you see a woman that is selling it. All kinds of bushmeat. Just choose anyone you eat with a friend and them.
Alright.
Come, so you guys will enjoy.
I'll do just that.
Come, so you guys will enjoy. Okay?
Okay.
Please don't stay long, home.
I'll stay
Come
long.
back now.
I'll stay long, my dear. I'm coming.
Be fast, okay?
Yeah.
Because I can see your friend is scared. So, my dear, how are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine, right? Because you're fine. You look beautiful. You know, that very first day I met you, I set my eyes on you. I was like, wow. Wow, this girl is my spec. Woo-wee. So, I wanted to chill, enjoy yourself. I'm not going to hurt you, okay? Come on, cheer up. Beautiful. You look more beautiful when you smile. I'm going to open this thing now so you drink.
I don't want.
You don't want?
No, thank you, sir.
Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. You're behaving like a baby. Hmm? Are you a baby?
No.
I'm not going to bite you. Calm down.
See, I'm not saying you bite me.
Yeah.
But see, this your gender, they always have ulterior motives. So please, sir, go and sit down there. Let me sit down here.
This is my house. I can sit wherever I want to sit, you know. I actually asked people to come up to this small sitting room. The bigger one is over there. Okay? This is where I welcome good people, beautiful people like you. Okay? Don't worry. I'm not a bad gender. I'm better than those guys. I am single, well-to-do, I'm a businessman, so I can give you whatever you want.
For you, I don't want anything, sir.
Don't worry, you want something. If you accept my proposal, I'm gonna train you in school to any level you want, to give you anything you want, you know, make you a better woman.
Thank you very much, sir, but I'm not interested.
Oh, come on, stop saying you're not interested.
Sir, stop now.
My hand is very soft now. Why are you scared? Hmm?
See why I said I should come. Sir, don't touch me now. No.
Calm now, calm down. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna take it hard on you. I'll take it very slow.
Oh, leave me alone. Leave me alone now. Sir, leave me alone.
Stop this thing, fine girl. Come on.
Sir, leave me alone.
Where are you going to?
Sir,
Stop
leave me
now.
alone.
Stop now. What is this?
Sir, leave me alone
Let's do
now.
this thing before your friend comes.
Let's do what?
You
I'm not
love
doing
it.
it. Leave me.
You love it. You love it. Hey. Leave that thing. That is how you people used to form that you wound yourself. You did not die anything. If I leave you now, you just run away like Tom and Jerry. That they are running that used to sound. Nobody will see you again. All I'll see is sand, dust. Get up. Babe. Babe. This girl, you're good to enter Nollywood and start acting the dying scene. Ooh. Again. Hello? Get up. Come on, get up. Hello? Hello? This girl, you can act. Why didn't you enter Nollywood and start acting film? Hello? Hello? Listen, is serious. Hello? Nne. Ngwa is okay, ngwa binie o. Binie akwe na Igbo, abụ m onye Igbo. Binie o, nne.
So after the incident, the both of them decided to keep it a secret between them. Dominic even threatened my friend that he was going to kill her if she told his soul.
Yeah, come in. Oh, you're back.
Mr. Dominic, where is my friend?
Your friend?
Yes. Has she left?
Your friend, we're trying to,
Jesus! Mr. Dominic, what did you do to my friend? What did you do to my friend?
Hey, shh. Just keep quiet. I am not a murderer. It wasn't deliberate. Okay?
You're an narcotic man.
Shut up, I am not a narcotic man. Don't make noise here. Do you understand? See, I am going to explain to you what happened. You know you left to go and buy bushmeat. And I was trying to...
You're trying to rape her.
No. I was trying to talk to her softly. I was trying to touch her and she started struggling. She started struggling and started running around.
How do you expect me to believe all these things you're saying?
You need to...
This is not our initial plan. You said you want to have a privacy with her. You just want to discuss with her.
Yes, but this wasn't intentional. Okay? I touched her. I'm not a vampire. I touched her. She started running and I started running. So we're kind of playing. And getting to this place, she wanted to jump and hit her head on the couch or floor. I don't know. And this happened. It wasn't deliberate. Please, I am sorry, okay? Hey. Are you trying to run? You want to go and cast me out there? Now listen. I do not want anyone to hear of this. If anyone gets to hear of this, I am going to kill you. And I'll kill anyone that hears of it. Yes, I'll do it. I promised you something, right? Now I am going to transfer 100,000 naira to your account. And also give you the iPhone that I promised you. Then you smile out of this place. Okay? Come on, smile. Come on, smile for me. Come on, smile. Smile, good girl. Good girl. Come on. Smile. Good. Smile. Smile. That is it. That is it. That is it. Beautiful girl. Beautiful girl. I'm going to transfer 100K to your account. Then, the iPhone that I promise you. Okay? No one should hear of this. No one should hear of this.
I was so pained, so I decided to go after them both. I'm responsible for the miscarriage your sister had.
You? So all this while, you've been the one stirring this misunderstanding between my sister and I. Like, what have I ever done to you?
I'm sorry, Chima. But this is not about you or your sister. I only wanted to hit Dominic where it will hurt him the most.
Oh, really? So killing an unborn child and then hurting my own sister has now become justifiable, isn't it?
I'm sorry.
No.
It wasn't deliberate. As we speak, my brother, who is the only family that I have, is gradually falling into depression because of what happened.
Okay. Let me get something straight. So, you said a lot of things. So, the point now is, how am I involved in all of this? How is it that, like, I'm the only one seeing you? How come? How is that?
Chima, you are spiritually strong. Right from the day you were born, your ancestors has set you aside to do exploits. You have so many powers that you do not even know about. That's the reason I need you to free my spirit from the bondage it's in right now.
Bondage, you say?
Yes. After appearing to your brother-in-law on several occasions, he resorted to visiting a powerful native doctor. He changed my spirit, and that has made me powerless and unable to accomplish my mission. That is why I need you to free my spirit from the bondage it's in right now. Please, Chima. You're the only one who can help me lose that chain to regain my freedom.
Informer. Who's your story? No doubt your story is a touching one. But I wouldn't like to get involved in all of this, to be honest. I mean, I've had enough headache with my sister. But don't make it look like I'm being wicked. I can't. What you're asking of me is too much. I can't, please. As much as I sympathize with you, I can't.
Chima, please.
I can't do this.
Chima, please. Please, Chima. You're the only one who can help me lose that chain and regain my freedom.
It's unbelievable. All along, I've been making friends with a ghost. To think she's the first young woman I've ever had a close conversation with. But I can't do what she's asking. No? I mean, people already have a bad impression about me, and I don't intend to make it worse by pulling this one.
Chima, it's like your village girlfriend have broken your heart. Don't grieve for anybody this year. Don't grieve for any girl who will make you cry. I've been longing to ask you. I've been noticing you have been acting strange lately. Everyone has been suspecting that you're mentally unstable.
Huh?
Sorry.
Like one might remove your teeth. Get out from here, my own. Get out. Nene's here.
Honey, there's something very important I want to discuss with you.
It's okay. What could that be?
It's about Chima. Haven't you noticed his strange attitude lately in this house?
Chima.
Yes.
Strange behavior?
This house.
I've not actually noticed any strange behavior from him.
I have noticed several times when I see Chima, he's always talking to someone. He's discussing with somebody. And when I try to see the person, I can't see, I don't know. He behaves as if he's not okay, he's mentally unsuitable. There's something wrong about Chima. I can't place it. I'm really scared.
It's okay, that shouldn't bother you. Maybe tomorrow I'll call him and interrogate him on that.
Okay.
Let me know what exactly is going on.
Please do. Please. Thank you. Thank you so much.
That shouldn't be a problem.
That's a problem.
That's why you're not sleeping. Oh, is that why you're not sleeping?
I don't want to sleep.
Come on, you need to get some sleep now, okay?
No.
Come on, let's go and sleep.
No.
Good morning.
Chima. How are you?
Fine. Came to tell you that I'm leaving.
Leaving to where?
To the village, of course.
To do what?
I'm going to the village where my peace and safety is guaranteed. Imagine.
Where your peace and what is guaranteed. Look at you. Whose presence in this house is causing a threat? Since you came into this house, it has all been crazy. I lost my first child because of you.
See, sister, let's get something straight here. I'm sick and tired of these false allegations of yours. Now. I'm sick and tired of all these your false allegations. Mona, you lost your first child because of me. See, you lost your first child because of the innocent blood you people spilled and is hovering around this house. You slapped me.
Are you stupid? Is there something wrong with your head? Oh! Who are you calling blood sippers? Me?
Excuse
in my house?
What's going on here?
Hello? Honey, can you imagine this fool? Can you imagine this ingrate? This idiot I brought into my house is saying that we are blood sippers.
Chima, is that true? Why did you utter such defamatory words about my family?
So I don't have an answer to that question. All I can say is that time shall answer all these questions.
Look at
time shall answer all these
questions. Why don't you shut up? When you get out! Look at you! So you see, when I complain, you be siding him. Look at the person you're covering, Chiba. Look at who you're siding. Me, blood sippers. Chima guy, go, I'm here waiting for you. I am here waiting for you. In my own house, you have the guts to insult me. Look at, if I talk, you will say I'm talking. Now you're oh God. Hey, me? Hey, me blood sippers in my own house. Look at Chima Wampi. Someone I brought all the way from the village to come and stay with me in my house. I'm not a blood sipper. No problem. Chima Wano. No problem, oh. No problem. Hey.
Dominic, you mean your brother-in-law actually said all this before he left?
Yes, I heard that myself. I heard it. You know, my wife has been crying inside. You know, saying that she's regretting allowing him to come here in the first place.
But then it's possible he angrily said all of this out of the false accusation he has been enduring all this while.
I doubt it. I doubt it. Because shortly before now, my wife noticed that he has been acting strange. He claimed to be talking to someone that she cannot see. And from what I gathered, that boy possesses some spiritual powers.
What, spiritual powers?
Yes.
if this is the case, then you don't have to leave anything to chance. Because this whole thing is becoming strange.
I think I know what to do. Hold on.
Okay.
Hello? Yeah, bro, what's up? How you doing? Okay, there's this heat I want you to do for me. There's a job I want you to do for me. And I need a clean job. No traces. I am going to send you the picture of the target. Yeah. Okay. I'll see you.
At this point, moves like this are the right thing to do.
Done. Come on.
Young kid, useless boy. I have never seen such a human being like you. It is so useless. Nenny, you've barely spent 3 months in the city. To finish my food up here.
Because Mama cousin now got food. Again, what the Guinness. You can keep your food to yourself. I don't care. Get what Guinness. Mama put. Or some finish your food. Richard, yeah, swate.
Just tell me. No, tell me, what is it? What is it? Can you find one name, Melly? Your sister invited you to the city. Begged her husband to allow you to stay with them. You do about them, Madule. Okay, for you, you're useless. You're hopeless. I don't want your Walebania for.
Mama, please, it's okay.
Whatever you want to say. No matter what you say, I'm not going back to that evil house. Evil house, I'm not going back there.
You're not one the evil. Evil personified, not one the evil. No, let me ask you. How many DBS phone numbers and your phone? Okay, for you, to curse you. Man can curse you if you get so here. The man to banya.
Upe, curse. You want to curse me, Mama? Whom God and his ancestors are blessed. You cannot curse. You can't curse me. Chukunanda bless me.
Fella, there no one the ancestors bless again. Bless again as what? Fella me boy. Adro otro. Anum pama. Okeleku. Kemma boya bo. Aga mefu. Ochicha. Okeleku. Mbeku. Gini.
Mama, please, it's okay now.
No, don't tell me that.
Mama, talk. Baba, let neighbors hear us. Baba, let neighbors hear us.
What?
Mama, please, it's okay now. It's okay.
Because allow me to talk some sense.
Kube. Continue.
Hey man, look at him. His only sibling, he's not even talking to her. Why can't you be at peace with your sister? But why can't you?
Keep talking. Let neighbors hear us. Let neighbors hear us.
Neighbors already know you.
My neighbors
already know you.
Stop getting Kube. When I was there, keeping quiet, was it not when you were talking? Did you tell us stuff?
They know
I'm not going back. I've told you. I'm not going back there. Whatever you say, I'll remain here with you. I'll remain here with you. This is my father's house.
Stay here with me.
I got team bet.
I will stay here with you. Anything better also. If you say no, leave me. It's okay. Stupid boy. Ha! God, are you sure they did not exchange this one in the hospital?
I don't know what is wrong with him.
Are you in love with this afternoon? On your kids just a compound that need other things. You go for loss. On the same thing. Also, you can answer.
Chimo. Give me peace. The heart of innocent Christ. Give me
Some are not again. Leave me alone now. Have I not had enough share of your problems? Number one, have my car now. Leave me alone.
I cannot do that. Chima, deep down inside of you, I can see the willingness and zeal for you to help me. But you're just scared of what would happen next.
See, Ify, the point is that what you ask of me is illogical. Check here now. Think about it. I don't know you, neither do I know any member of your family. How do you expect me to just go and carry out such a huge task? Have you even wondered what people will say if I get caught? Check in here now. Please go away. I don't like this.
Chima, please. You have to help me for your own safety.
My own safety. See, for your information, I fear no man. I'm not afraid of any man. The only person I fear is Chukwueke Ebeama. I fear no man at all. See, the best I can do for you is to offer supplications for you. Just go and leave vengeance for God. What's all this? Leave me alone, no. Leave me alone.
Chima, please. Chima, please.
Okay, you don't want to leave. You don't want to leave me, Abi? I will leave this place for you. I will leave this place for you.
Chima, please don't walk away from me. Chima, please.
What stop me? Don't follow me.
Give me peace, give me peace. The heart of innocent cries. Give me peace, give me peace.
No, Mama, you will not understand. Mama, you don't understand how this boy almost insulted us.
Mom, I understand the gravity of what he did. Mana Biko, Bayalo, don't write him off, Biko. He's your brother.
How do I not beg my husband for the same favor again? Hey, Mama.
Biko, you get beg. He's your brother, oh? You know, they say that blood is thicker than water. If you people end up being enemies, that means my life is meaningless.
Mama, your life cannot be meaningless because of that stupid boy. Do you know that my husband can sue him for slander? Do you know?
Hey, Chineke Nam, I didn't know if NGC were kote. Why is this boy like this? What is really wrong with him?
Now don't worry, everything will be fine. Everything will be very fine. Okay? I hope that stupid boy is not giving you a headache over there.
Mom, what will I do? Whether he causes me headache or not, will I disown him? He's my only son now. I just have to continue praying that God will change him. Mama,
don't worry, all will be fine, okay? Just take care of yourself. We'll talk later. Alright? Now, bye. Okay, Mom. Bye-bye, Mom.
Oh, Mom, bye-bye. God bless you. If only he's just a little bit like his sister. Just one day.
Babe.
Baby.
You really have to take it easy. You really have to take it easy. Mama doesn't need all these troubles.
I don't know why God gave me that stupid, useless boy. As a brother. What kind of brother is this?
Take it easy, please.
It's just crazy.
See what that was.
Okay. Oh, this is nice. Okay.
My guy, as you see, my blood hot. I dey tell you, my blood hot like this.
Your blood dey hot?
My blood hot like this.
Come be like say, as I give my life to God, now I keep her so. I dey kill go. Anybody perf wey I smell, I don't smoke am. If I just smell your perfume, don't carry you out.
My guy, is you.
I don't get joy for killing you.
I
hobby now. We go to school.
Killing my guy.
Killing our hobby.
I teach you.
Bros.
Who that you now? They look my face. I they talk to you. Now they look me. Like see you, I'm correct. But I tell you about cause.
I really this guy confirm am.
place is what next? No mercy. No mercy. One
Don't die.
Confirm. Maybe the consolation guy. Confirm. Movement shot.
Is he alive? Where? Hey!
Babe, what is it? What's going on?
It's my mom.
What's she saying?
Mama called me. He said my brother was beaten by some good knobs on the road.
Okay.
And they're in the hospital.
She's in the hospital right now?
Yes.
What's the current situation?
I don't know. She said the doctor has not addressed them yet. I don't know what the situation is right now.
Oh my God.
Hey.
This is not a good news.
Hmm.
Okay, babe, please just calm down.
Hey.
Okay?
Who has done this to my brother? Honey, I'm the cause of everything. Nothing would have happened to him if my brother was staying in this house. I wouldn't have allowed him go. Hey. 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 Honey, please. I need to go and see him right away.
Babe, not now. Not now. We have to wait first and hear from the doctor before we move. Okay? Let's hear from them first.
Are you sure he's okay?
Oh, wow.
Are you sure he's okay?
You'll be fine. Calm down.
Just come on. Just...
Rose, what are we celebrating?
You like the clothes?
I like the clothes. Wow! See, Rose, of course, I like the clothes.
Then let me bust your brain now. Well, I just realized that you need someone that will constantly remind you how special you are. Look, I know I cannot replace Ifeoma permanently, but I owe it an obligation to close up the vacuum her death must have created in your heart. I love you. Love you more.
I love you too, baby.
I know.
Hi.
Gorumegu, sing for me.
Chai, all these things for me.
Sing for me. Chai. I want you to sing for me. Gorumegu, bust out my brain.
Chai, my Rose, all these things for me.
Yes. Gorumegu.
Hi. Rose more.
Hey.
Rose more. Rose more. Rosemore, Rosemore, Nakana no Rosemore, Nakana no ya Rosemore. Rosie que papaya, Rosemore, Nakana no Rosemore.
I can't believe that bastard is still breathing.
Dominic, you need to calm down. You need a clear head to strategize on what to do next.
What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do next? Should I go to the village and shoot him straight in the chest?
No.
What do I do?
Far from that, okay? I think we need to visit Ojiji again. I think it's high time you take another dimension on this. What do you think?
I think you have a point there. That is what I can do. That is what I must do.
Give me peace, give me peace. The heart of innocent Christ. Give me peace, give me peace. The heart of innocent years. Give me peace, give me peace.
I'm very sorry for everything you've gone through. I brought this upon you.
It's fine. I mean, it's not your fault entirely. Just, I don't know, how could I have known all these years? My sister has been living with a monster. What? I've resolved to put an end to all of this so that everybody will have their own peace.
Thank you very much, Chima. But you have to act really fast. Because I can see him plotting another evil.
I am not afraid of Dominic. He can do whatever he wants to do. I'm not afraid. I mean, with God and my ancestors by my side, I fear no harm. I don't fear any man. Tomorrow I shall be at your place to remove the chain you said was buried beside your grave. So that at the end of it, everybody will just be fine. I just hope and pray your brother understands. That's my headache.
He will. Provided it's to get justice for my death, he will understand.
You think so?
Yes.
Give me peace, give me peace. The heart of innocent Christ. Give me peace.
Just last week, he was beaten up and strangled by some hoodlums. And today, he's slumped and he hasn't woken up for some hours.
Isn't it obvious someone is after our family? Eh? Look at my brother Chima. He's not troublesome. He's not a troublemaker. Why are they trying to kill him?
Don't you think it's time
I just feel for Mama. I hope this situation will not trigger Mama's health challenges. That's my problem.
Don't you think it's time for you to go to the village and find out things yourself?
I think so.
And Mama needs your support.
I will discuss with my husband and tell him I'll be leaving to the village tomorrow. That's what I'm going to do.
You have to do something about it. You know he's your only brother.
I pray nothing happens to my only brother.
Nothing will happen to him.
And to think of, we are not even in good terms before all this happened. Hey.
See, Nika, it's okay. It's okay. Everything will be fine. It's okay.
It has not been easy. It has not.
I understand. I understand.
Hey, babe.
Hey, honey.
Yeah, Mama calls to say that Chima is still very unconscious. I think we all have to book a mass for him and start praying for him.
That is what I was telling her before you came in.
Oh, really? Baby, see? Don't worry, okay? You'll be fine. I know that Chima will get well soon, as long as God is alive. Okay.
This is where I was laid to rest. And at that spot is where he buried the chain to put my spirit under eternal bondage. You alone can pull it out and set me free.
This is unbelievable. I wouldn't have ever believed that Dominic would come this far with his evil ploys.
He will still come for more if we don't act fast. As we speak, he is devising means to eliminate you completely, to cover his tracks. That is why we need to listen up.
You said he has been like this for days.
It's been like this for days. Eh? I don't know what happened to him. I don't know who has done this to us. Don't know this Ikebunka. And you think that I've been cursing him? Eh? Abusing him? Accusing him of things he did not even do. Now look at what somebody has done to us. I blame myself. I blame myself now. I'm so ashamed of myself.
Who could be doing this to us?
Keka Mesima.
Who is he?
Keka Mesima who is doing it. I don't know who will be doing this. That's what that means.
Eh? Where is it from?
I need to go to Informer's place. I need to go to Informer's place.
Informer's place? Where is Informer, Mama?
No, tell me. Where's your Informer, me?
Mama, go Informer. Please. Mama's.
You think there's a
Mama, sit.
Just sit.
Mama.
He's going to inform one.
Mama.
Eh? No, let me
Mama.
Come back. Just sit down.
Mama. Sit. Don't worry. Fine.
Informer, but what can one sit?
Dominic, what's going on? You're not saying anything.
Then I'm angry. I'm angry. My wife just called me and told me that Chima has recovered.
What?
That she's still alive. How could OGG disappoint me like this? Just to kill one village boy.
This is bad news. You really need to act fast. Worrying won't solve anything.
Oh, I'm finished.
No, you are not.
Oh.
You need to think of something. What are you going to do next?
I think I have to finish it myself.
You have to do what? You can't afford to risk this whole thing. What happened to the boys you hired the other time to kill him?
They're on the run. They are on the run because they heard that Chima is still alive. The police, the vigilante are on them. I have to finish it myself. Just one village boy.
Chimo, 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 Chimo. give me peace, 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 give me peace. The heart of innocent Christ, give me peace, give me peace. The heart of innocent years, give me peace, give me peace, give me peace.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I was told that you wanted to see me. Please, how may I help you?
Baby, please, can you sit down? Please, sit.
Okay. Sit there.
I greet you, bro.
You're welcome.
I know we've not seen before. My name is Chima, and I'm also from this community. I don't know how this might sound, but I came to see you with respect to your sister.
My own sister? You mean I done them?
Yes.
I don't understand. I don't understand. You are not making any sense. If you're not making any sense.
Okay, here is the thing. Your sister Ifeoma was unjustly murdered, and as we speak, her soul is not at rest. More so, the man that perpetrated all this evil is after my own life. Please, I need to do what I have to do so that her soul can get justice and find rest. Please.
What are you saying? You're not. Are you? See, what is that your name again?
Chima is your name.
Oh, Chima. Chima, are you here to reopen a deep wound that I'm just trying to heal myself off from? Are you here to heal? Are you here to reopen the wound that is just healing? Do you know what my sister's death cost me? Do you know the pains I am passing through?
Calm down, please, bro.
Are you here to reopen the wound that is healing already?
Bro, please, you have to calm down, please. Cool it down, please. See, I didn't want to get in the middle of all this, but right now you have to just please share my frame of reference. A chain was buried in your sister's grave. That's the point, and I need to unchain her so that her soul can get justice. Please, I beg you. Yes, a chain, please.
See, Chima, or whatever you might call your name. See, if you don't have anything meaningful, Chima, if you don't have anything reasonable to tell me, Ike Papa, you're the classic gista. See this door now. You malabi doiru, idazo, maki you were no. Nyambuta koda nikwelo double bandana. Now we'll pound you like pondo yam if you don't leave this compound for me.
You need to listen to me, please.
Wait, don't worry, I'll talk to him.
My life is at stake here too.
Can you hear me? Baby, can you hear me? Please, you have to calm down first. You obviously haven't seen this young man before. And he has said some factual things surrounding Ifeoma's death. Biko, let's give him a benefit of doubt. For the sake of the love you have for your sister Ifeoma, please. Biko, wait to Obi, no go Biko. Don't start. Please.
For my sister.
So what are you saying now? What do we do?
Oga, wait. He said your name is Chima, right? What do you want me to do for you? Papa, you're mailing him. What exactly do you want me to do for you, babe?
Right now,
Don't like this thing you're doing. You want to start again?
Please, right now, I need you to take me to our grave, please. Like right now, please. Pico, please.
Do I need for?
Give me peace, give me peace.
Stella, what is it?
Mama, the food.
The food? What happened to the food? Are you not the one that prepared it?
Mama, blood.
Blood, Okwa. This food that I'm seeing here, blood. But there is no blood in this food now.
Mama, you the same blood.
No, what blood are you talking about? There's no blood in this food now.
There is blood.
Blood, Okwa. There is no blood in this food now.
How could you do this to me? I thought we were friends.
Please don't kill me, please. I didn't know you would hurt you. Please forgive me.
Who are you talking to? Hey!
You must go now. Go and confess all that happened to me if you wish not to see me again.
Stella! What? Where are you running to? Hey, I said that this will put you in trouble. Stella, come here! Where are you running to? Who are you running to?
I don't understand. You mean he just woke up and rushed out of the compound without telling anybody where he was rushing to?
That was exactly what happened. All he did this morning when he woke up was take a cup of drinking water, and then the next thing he said, Ifeoma's house.
And who is this Ifeoma?
Amaram, I don't know. I am totally confused. I don't even know.
You could hear that bunker.
Amaram. Did you people find him? No, Mama. Hey! Hello, I'm
lost his track. But I sent his pictures. I showed his pictures to some guys. And I told them that whoever finds him, I will reward them.
I am finished. And nothing happened to this boy, oh.
Azuka, calm down.
And nothing happened to this boy.
Azuka, calm down. Calm down. Don't start crying. Don't start now. Just calm down. He must surely be back. He will come back. He's not a small boy. Calm down. He will come.
I'll find him. He's okay.
Hi. Maybe I should go and look for him
No,
myself.
Azuka, calm down. He will come back.
He will come back.
Pico. Oh. Did you go down there?
Mama, he will come back. Hi. Mama, don't worry, you will come back. Please, my husband has been calling. Let me return his calls. You go.
So, in fact, this whole thing started, it was so complex, but I thank God we now have a direction. The man in question who perpetrated all this evil is my brother-in-law. His name is Dominic, and as we speak, he's trying to kill me also because I now know what he knows.
So you mean in-law?
Oh, gone okay.
No, you it's your in-law.
Oh, gone okay.
Hi, Mama. Brother, please, I want to say something. Forgive me for keeping this secret all to myself, brother. I never intended for my friend Ifoma to die like this. Mr. Domi told me he would buy iPhone 14 for me and give me some money if I take Ifoma to his house. I didn't know he wanted to kill her. Please, brother, please forgive me.
Stella! Stella, what have you just said? Stella, you mean that you know the person that killed my sister?
But I did not know. He threatened me that if I speak up, if I expose, he will kill me, brother. Brother, please forgive me.
See, Stella, I have never liked you. Stella, when you were going and Stella, I've never liked you. I told the former my sister, I told the former my sister that you are not good enough for her. I'm gonna make former that you are not her match. Now look at where it has landed my sister, baby. We do not give former more.
Brother, it's not intentional, brother.
Please. Stella, whatever your name is. Are you listening to me? Are you listening? My friend, stop those things like this. Look, you are following me to my family house. We're heading straight to my compound. I'll need you to say exact everything you said here. You say it there. The world must know who the real beast is. Are you listening? Don't play with me.
You see, Chima, eh? You see, Chima. As we gathered here now, if you let do I know now, we are moving straight to your compound right now. You see that man that killed my sister, Ifoma? You see that man that took away the life of my sister, Ifoma? See, if I get that man,
everybody's at home, don't worry.
I will kill him, baby. See, wait for me here. I am coming. I'm put that gun on because I'm going to finish that man. Just wait.
Brother, Stella, you are wicked. Stella, you are very intentional. Your own friend was intentional. Stella, brother. You are evil.
Come here, where are you going?
If I get that man,
are you? Where are you? Show yourself! Show yourself! Let's finish it! Show yourself!
I tried confessing severally. When informal ghost came to threaten me with my life, for Mr. Tommy tries to, he told me that if I did, he will kill me.
Alo, abomination. What?
So all this while, I've been living with a murderer in the same house. Same house. Yeah. So this is the kind of thing you do at your age. Is this how you want to pay your parents back? Okay, I see where I go for war.
See, please, you people will give me that man's address. Let me go there myself, eh? Let me use this my account on Niquelo double pan. Then I can walk away. My only sister.
I did not bring you up in that manner. You have to be a good boy because that is how I brought you up. You cannot be like this man we're talking about.
But he killed my only sister, Ifoma. He killed my only sister. Let me go and catch. I'm gonna go down if you find that where.
Please calm down, please.
Ifoma one them. Ifoma my sister.
What is going on here?
Dominic, how could you? How could you?
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
He's the one that killed Ifoma and dropped her body on the roadside.
If I go down, you go down. Don't even try me. Don't even try me. Okay, what is it? What is he doing?
Rattle go.
No. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't. Let him die.
Daddy! So all this while, Mama, I've been living with a murderer. A man that has tried several attempts to kill my own brother. Now the world will know that I've been living with a wicked man. A man that tried to kill and rape an innocent girl. Mama. 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 It's okay. You have to take heart, because Mama. It's okay. You can't cry forever. Hey!
Tofiakwa. This is the head of abomination. What the kwegu?
I have lost my first seed. All just because of this wicked package. I've lost my first seed. Osuko, don't make me to start crying again now, because Chima, one name. Chima, my only brother. Because I am so sorry. I'm sorry for all that I have accused you. Because forgive me. Oh, because Namo, Chimamam, well, for all the accusations, for everything we laid against you, Biko Boyalo, Ebesina, that the truth will finally prevail, and it has prevailed.
Mama, I've long forgiven the both of you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Besides, it's not like you knew what you were really doing at that time. At least my joy is that nothing happened to me or any member of my family.
Yes, my son. Yes, my son. Yes, we have to thank God and our ancestors. Yes, indeed. It's not an easy battle. And not a fleshly battle. It's a spiritual battle. And you conquered it. Yes.
Hey, Mama.
Chima, I just want to say thank you for the sacrifices and the pains you've had to go through to ensure that I get justice. I wish there was a better way to show my appreciation, because words are not enough.
It's fine. Please, I'm happy that in the end you are also happy. And please, I did what was ideal of me to do. And I'm happy that now justice has been served in the end. Yeah. So now what next?
Now that my mission is accomplished, my soul is at peace. So I would have to go back to the other side. Chima, once again, thank you very much. May God and your ancestors continue to bless, guide and protect you.
Say no.
Bye, Chima.
Nothing is hidden under the sun. Forever, forever. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Forever, forever. You can try to hide your sins, but judgment day is coming. It's coming. You can only pretend, but judgment day is coming. It's coming. No matter how smart you think you are, one day, your sins will catch up with you. No matter how smart you think you are, one day, your sins will catch up with you. No matter how smart you think you are, one day, your sins will catch up with you.